everybody. Welcome to stream. Welcome in. Happy Saturday. Let me scroll up in chat. Dream, hello. Welcome in. It's good to see you. Wait, the redeems. Dream, congrats on first. I can talk, I swear. Lyro, hello. Congrats on second. Dream, thank you for the daily meditation. Thank you. Hi, Emmy. How are you? How is your weekend? Welcome in. Haruka, thank you for the lurk. Wait, did anyone get third? I'm just saying. I don't know if anybody did. I'm just saying. I don't see it. I don't see it yet. No, never mind. Sleepless got it. I was like, there's no way. Chat, there's no way. Thank you, Sleepless, for getting third. Hi, Foxy. How are you doing today? Welcome in. Welcome in. I hope that everything is going well. Wait, thank you guys for the resubs. Thank you. I'm going to read your very cute messages after when I get there. I swear to God. Thank you. I see the stream streaks. I see the resubs. Thank you guys very much. I will get there in the chat. I promise. Hi, Sui. You got matcha coconut. That is literally perfect. And Incog, every time there's a Luna announcement, I'm scared she's gonna announce she's leaving us. Well, kind of, but I will get to that. I promise. I can't talk about anything too early with you guys because I know that that's gonna just be like I know every single stream after that is gonna be, it's fine, she'll never come back, it's fine, she's leaving us, it's fine. And I'm like, I have to wait until I feel like the last possible second I can kind of inform you guys, which is not the last possible second, but we'll get to it. I promise. It's not a bad thing. Ernesto, welcome in. And Sui, I very much love you. I hope you never forget that. I'm grateful to call you a friend, and you're one of the sweetest, kindest people I've ever met. I feel like if I didn't meet you, I wouldn't be the person I am today, and you brought me so much into my life. I love you so very much. I can't wait to squish you into the biggest burp hug again when we meet. I'm trying to not let the tears fall from my eyes. I don't know if you can tell. Thank you for the resub. Also, I love you very much. Thank you for the kind words. I'm trying to not cry. Thank you guys for the hype train. Thank you, Foxy, for the bits. Thank you. Thank you. That's a lot of months. It is a lot of months. It's how many months? 54? That's
Twing you pee.
Clover, no. Clover, thank you for the 1,000 bits. Thank you, but no, you give me too many bits. Thank you. Min, thank you for the resub. Thank you guys. I promise I'll get to your messages. And Foxy, thank you for the 3-stream streak. Had to start over. You were almost at 10. It's okay. It'll all reset. Dude, lately I've noticed too, there's like some glitching with the watch streaks. Like I'll have it pop up where it's like, oh, like you've hit a 15 stream streak, but then I check and I hit 14 and I'm like, so which is it? Like, am I gonna come back the next stream and it's 0? I'm starting to get a couple of glitches. Also, I have to change this song. I'm so sorry. That was a little too much for my brain right now. Oh my God, you got 30. It was you. I saw. I do see this. CC, thank you for the resub. Thank you for the 19 months. How was your party last night? I hope that you had so much fun. Hi Horsefinger, welcome in. Hi Hotaru, I hope you're doing well. Lyro, thank you for the 3-stream streak. Thank you guys for the lurks. Thank you for all the redeems. This is the, yeah, you do tend to call it out, Incog, but I guess when I say I have an announcement, it's like 9 out of 10 times I'm leaving the country. Sometimes I don't feel like I even exist here. Like when I really think about it, I think like in 1 year, due to my traveling, I probably end up not streaming for a total of about 2 months in the year. Isn't that kind of crazy to think about? Like this year, I have 4 international trips and 2 of them were 2 weeks at a time. So that's already like 1 month in my head. That's 4 weeks, which is 1 month. And then I take so many little trips where I feel like I at least need like 1 week. I think that it's probably likely that I don't stream for like 2 whole months out of the year every year, which is kind of crazy to think about. Like when I think from that perspective. If I had to guess, it's just because of the holidays. So, well, I am kind of leaving, but it's a fun leaving. I promise. I promise. Hi, Naru. How are you? Welcome in, and thank you guys for the bits. Thank you, Foxy, for the 100 bits. Thank you, Clover, for the 1,000 bits. How are you? How was your day? And Min, thank you for the 46 months. Thank you. I know I want to hug all my friends so badly. Thank you for the 6 streams, Horsefinger. All the love in chat. It's for sure Twitch twitching out. It happens. It's so like frustrating though. Like I wish everything just worked. The cupcakes were yummy. Okay, that's good to know. I'm glad they looked really good. When you said they were Wicked cupcakes, I was like, yeah, these are definitely Wicked cupcakes. They look so cool. You're about to make an espresso dark chocolate hot cocoa from scratch. And are you sharing with the chat? Because that sounds so good, Foxy. Oh my god, enjoy. You're watching the Peak stream? Did you enjoy it? There's actually, fun fact, there's some Peak content that got recorded and not streamed that cough cough Min is gonna send me the good parts so I can post it because some of it's really funny. maybe I'm just saying. You got a waffle maker? Wait, you did Sleepless? That does so fun. You know what a Bing Bong is now? Good, I'm so glad. And yes, we should, so we absolutely should. Yes, please, yes, please. Oh no, I'm sorry, Horsefinger. I'm sorry you don't feel well. Thank you for sharing, Foxy. You just got back from the store and you woke up and you were like, I need this today. That's so valid. Hi, Goldie. You made it. How are you? I wish I had a waffle. Oh, wait, but you should get one. I think that sounds really cute. Thank you so much for the follow. Welcome in, welcome in. Okay. I'm gonna pull today's daily card and then I'll make a couple of announcements, or just one, I guess. But we only have 4 left, guys. I'm telling you right now, my brain is not fully here. I have a million things going on in my head. There might be a time where we have no meditations for the stream because basically in 1 week we're gonna be done, and I don't know if I can get to the store in 1 week. So I'm just letting you know we might be totally out of meditations for a little while. I don't know how we're gonna deal with it, but I will fix it as soon as possible. What are we doing after this? I don't know. My excuses to celebrate deck is almost gone. Lunar C, hello. I hope that you're doing well. Welcome in. Thank you for the hydrate. Thank you. Let me scroll up. What did you walk in on? You walked in on me about to read today's daily meditation, which I thought I just lost the card for a second. I thought you were talking about Inside Out Bing Bong. No, Bing Bong's in the chat too. Wait, if you have Better TTV installed, Bing Bong, I think this is it. Wait, actually, now I'm not sure what it is. It's not this, is it? It's not this, is it? No, it's not. There's a couple Bing Bong emotes, but I don't remember what they're called. In the Better TTV section of the stream. Thank you guys also for the hype train. Thank you guys very much. What are we doing after this? You mean on stream? We're playing Pokemon, which is the only thing. The only things I think about lately, video game wise, are Pokemon, Legends ZA, or Peak. That's it. There's nothing else in my brain right now. Like, I wish I could say that there were more things in my brain, but that's literally all that's in my brain. So you have no idea how excited I am that it's finally Saturday and we can play Pokemon Legends ZA, because I've been playing it every day. I made some progress. I made some progress, but I haven't ranked up at all without you guys. Like, I haven't continued the story. I've just been like running around like a psychopath in this game because it's so fun. Oh my god, I know. Look, oh my god, I have so many mods in my chat right now. This is amazing. You got to clear those last night, so you're just praying that you got clear to close last night. Oh wait, that's exciting, Foxy. You got this. I hope everything stays calm and chill and everything goes well. It's nice to meet you too. Welcome in. I'm glad that you're doing well. Hi, Orange. How are you? Welcome. Baby Flyer is napping. That sounds nice. I would say I want to take a nap, but I actually don't feel tired today. I did not sleep well last night, though. I woke up with a really bad backache this morning, and apparently I was walking funny because I said hi to my dad this morning, and he was like, "Why are you walking like you have a backache?" And I was like, "Because I do have a backache. I feel like an old person. I woke up because my back hurt." that was what woke me up, and I was like, "Oh, dang, this stinks." No, Goldie, it's okay. I hope that your work goes well and everything is okay. You got a frog. Let's go. You got the frog. Oh my gosh. Also, I have something kind of sad I have to share. Sleepless, actually. Here's one of the sad things I have to share. I cannot do the watch party tonight. I entirely forgot that I had other family obligations. If you guys are able to watch party tomorrow, I can watch party tomorrow, but I actually can't watch party tonight. I'm really I actually have to kind of hop off right at 5 o'clock today. I can't stay for too long. So I hope that that's okay. I hope that that's okay. You low-key really want to paint? You want to paint, but you should just chill here and have an early night because you have a flight tomorrow. Well, what time is the flight? What time is the flight? I mean, I feel like you could paint a little bit. I think that would be fine. If not, wait, you hope you're done with work. No, but you can, Goldie, it's gonna be tomorrow, so you can watch tomorrow. Can you do tomorrow? Is tomorrow better? I'll be living with my parents before Christmas, which is my goal. Then you get to make fun plans for the state move. That's so exciting, Foxy. I'm so happy for you. Wait, and you slept badly last night, Sleepless? Wait, why are we all sleeping bad? Oh no. Skittles gummies, yum. I'm in so much Hyrule. Wait, you're playing so much Hyrule Warriors today? You might play a bit of Legends ZA soon, though. You should. You should. I mean, you should play whatever you want, though. I think that's the fun part about games is you can play whatever you want, you know? I hope it's fun, Emmy. Yeah, I hope Sui has a safe flight. Thank you, Sleepless. Yeah, I can do tomorrow. Tomorrow, I don't think I have any. Well, tomorrow I have things I'm going to be working on, but I don't have any like plans tomorrow. We get to see your. We do actually. That's where I'm at, Naru. That's where I'm at. That's where I stopped. And I'm at a point where some of my Pokemon are like too high level for my rank now. Like, and they're like, don't listen to me and pretend to not hear me, and it makes me cry. No watch party couldn't make it anyway. I'm sorry. Hi, Jackie. Welcome in. You wait, oh my, no, don't take my good sleeps. You, JC, after being blown to smithereens, you slept perfectly. Hi, JC. Okay, hold on. Let me read today's daily meditation and say my announcement. And oh my God, I've been live for 15 minutes. Ooh. Today's meditation, today, what is it? Reason to celebrate is eat something you find nourishing. Eat something you find nourishing. For like a split second, I took this as eat something you find, and I was like, aw, a donut, perfect. I was like the mushroom I ate yesterday in Peak and turned into a zombie when we left one player by themselves. Yeah, that's nourishing, right? Hi, Blue. Well, hi, Skyrose. Speak of the devil. Hi. Welcome in. How are you? How are you? Hi, Sage. Long time no see. Also, oh, my controller is in front of me. Okay. First of all, before we get into the gaming, which to be honest, I was a very cute zombie though. It was really cute. Except I left Skyro all by himself, and then I turned into a zombie, and I think that was maybe not ideal. But I was such a cute little zombie. I had like a little like my face was like this. It was cute. Okay. Time for a little announcement, and then we will get into Pokemon Legends ZA. It's staring at me, and I have things I have to talk with you guys about my squad, because I have. Okay, anyway, my announcement is in December for about 1 week. I think it's like 8 days, 9 days, something like that. Me and Sui are going to Japan together. We're going to Japan together. I get to be in Japan with Sui. We're gonna meet each other and we're gonna hang out, and it's gonna be really fun. In a fit of I am very stressed out at my life and job, I booked a flight to Japan. Like literally, like, and I remember like we and Sui were like talking about what we were like when we're meeting and like what country we're meeting in this year, and I was like, I think earlier this year you were like, what if I went to Japan in December? And I was like, I don't think I can swing that. I have no PTO, which is true. I had a funny conversation about that also with my supervisor this week, because I told him I'm going to Japan, and then you were like, actually I can't go anymore. But then I was like, okay, but what if we went? And it was like really back and forth, and then I think in a span of like 48 hours we just like booked the flights, and we were like, whatever. Let's go. So yeah, I'm gonna be in Japan for about, it's a little bit over 1 week in the middle of the month in December. So there will be a period of time where there are no streams, but I didn't want to tell you that too early because I knew you guys were gonna yell at me a lot for leaving again. But it's fun. It's fun. I'm gonna be with friends. Luna very much told me she's not coming to Japan, and that's yeah. No, because I don't have any time off. But the funny thing was I told my supervisor, we had like a call this week, and I was like, so like, I just wanted to let you know that I'm going to Japan for 1 week in December. And he was like, okay. And I was like, yeah, I'm gonna take time off. Like, obviously, like when the days that I'm flying, but like, I'll work when I'm there. And he was like, cool, I'm going to California soon. And I was like, okay, like I guess this is the conversation we're having. So that was kind of funny. Like, hi, Viri. Welcome in. I hope you're doing well. It was just like a really random conversation. But yeah, also speaking of work, this is just a random thing that I knew that nobody was gonna know except me, or talk to me about except me. But today is officially the 3-year mark where I signed the contract for my current job. I've had my current job for 3 years as of today. 3 years. I think that's pretty cool. I've survived for 3 years. It's my 3-year anniversary, but it's not a working day and we're playing Pokemon. So I think that's great. That's funny. Glad you get a fun. Me too, Foxy. I'm really excited. The hardest thing about going to Japan this time around, though, is I'm only bringing one suitcase. And I could fit myself in the suitcase. Like, I have some pretty big suitcases. Also, a lot has happened with my Pokemon. I need to talk about this with you guys. But Exhibit A, a lot has happened with my Pokemon since I last played. And I changed my outfit. I bought a new sweater. It matches my hair. But what was I saying? I don't remember. I actually don't remember. Thanks, guys. Thanks for the congrats. Yeah, it's my 3 years. Okay. We have a lot to talk about in Pokemon. Not to change the subject from like real life things into fake life things, like my Pokemon, which I wish I could be in this world, by the way. This sounds really fun. But yeah, I'm so happy. Yes, no, Orange, you are 100% ahead of me. Literally, all I do in this game when I'm off stream is run around in circles. And then I actually like do the game when I play with you guys. Hi, Nye. Actually, Nye, you already knew the news. I just told everyone I'm going to Japan next month. Nye, actually, I told Nye about, I'm gonna tell, okay, now we're too close to the actual travels, but once the travels happen and it's all over, I have a really funny story to tell you guys about one of the hotels I booked. I'm too scared to tell it now because I'm actually really paranoid about one of the hotels that I booked. But I told Nye about it as it was happening. Also, hi Nye, I hope you're having a good weekend with Sosar. The hot cocoa is to die for. You found a new addiction. I'm so happy for you. That's really exciting. But yeah, I evolved my Alpha Pikachu into an Alpha Raichu. Raichu. So now I have a Big Mouse, but the Big Mouse doesn't listen to me anymore. Big Mouse is level 41 and Pokemon only up to level like 40 listen to me at my rank right now. So he doesn't always do what I say, but I will get stressed. Yeah, we can't get stressed. But yeah, I have Big Mouse. Another thing that happened is I have Big Ampharos. Look at her. Look how big. And this is actually, I have to discuss with you guys about her today because I have a problem that I need to address with you all. Hi, Ahmed. My whole squad is 4 out of 6 alpha Pokemon because that's my favorite part about the Legends games are the alpha Pokemon. Isn't he so cute? But I know Big Mouse is so mean to me. I miss Ahmed too. You're buying the game. You have Exhibit B. Exhibit A was the Raichu, but also the other day, off stream I evolved my Ghastly into a Haunter, and you guys know how much I love Haunter. I was really excited about it, but then I caught an Alpha Ghastly, and I was like, well. Now I need to evolve this and have an Alpha Haunter because he's already like so big. He's gonna be even bigger. So this is what we have to do is we have to evolve this guy today. But and I also, this was my sometimes this kills my vibe. Sometimes I have max tickets. We don't need to do this today or right now. I have max tickets, by the way. No worries, Spyro. I hope you have a good lurk. I'm sorry you're not feeling well. Bye, Horsefinger. Can you have an Alpha Charizard? I don't know, actually. I don't know if you... I have a Charmander, but it's a little baby. It's a little baby. But I also wanted to show you how, like, comically large the Alpha Gyarados is. You can't even see him on the screen. He is so large because I had an Alpha Magikarp and then my brother was like, oh, you should evolve that and then it'll be cool. And I was like, yeah, you're right, I should evolve that. So I had the Magikarp on my squad that could flop around and use one move until I could evolve it into a Gyarados. You can't even see it. Like you literally can't even see it. It's so big. But I want to show you something funny that I noticed. We're gonna play the game at some point. This is more important, guys. Let's be honest. Let's be really honest. This is more important. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Look! This was my favorite discovery. He is. I will admit this is not going to be the water type Pokemon that stays on my team forever because you all know what water Pokemon I need. You guys know my favorite water type Pokemon. However, for now, I'm like, I have 2 electric type Pokemon and I'm like, I think I almost put a 3rd in and I was like, I can't. Like, I need something else to balance everything out. No, he literally doesn't fit in the screen, but look at him sleeping. Look how cute he is. I forget what his other... Oh, he's being evil, but you can't even see because he's so large. Hi, welcome in. Jay Floydian, hello, welcome. How are you? He's such a big boyo. Yeah, you can't even see. But yeah, the other thing though that I wanted to tell you guys about. Oh, actually, I have to complain. I have to complain about this little guy. Oh yeah, I have a huge complaint. I love Bunnery. But you know what else I love? You know what else I love? Lot Bunny. A lot. And you know what I can't evolve to save my life? Is this Bunnery into a Lot Bunny? I'm getting a little bit desperate because this little munchkin, whereas incredibly cute and adorable, doesn't have the greatest moveset, and I really need to evolve her. And I don't know how. If anybody has, this is actually chat, if you could answer this, I don't mind. If anyone has successfully evolved a Bunnery into a Lop Bunny, please let me know, because she's been on my team this entire time. I've taken her to cafes. She's smashed all the rocks for me. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I don't know if there's an item I have to give her or something. Dude, she's with me all the time. I use her in battle all the time. I bring her to cafes. I'm like, what else do you need? What else do you need? So I'm losing my mind a little bit because she's so cute and I love her. And I'm actually, to be honest, I'm gonna be kind of sad when I lose her, but I also really love Lot Bunny, so I'm like, please send help. Big Goober, it is a big goober. Alpha Whale Lord one day will not be able to be contained. Dude, some of the alpha Pokemon are so large. I love how big they are, and this is definitely more important, right? Vaporeon is my favorite water type Pokemon. You're right. I need a Vaporeon. I've gone psychotic over Vaporeon in past Pokemon games. I need one or else. You have an IRL Ghastly? Oh my god, Sleepless, I can't wait to see. Do I want to know how to raise friendships? Is it just by going to the cafe? Is that just it? Are there more things that I don't do? Use the cafe 4 times and that works for you for friendship evolutions. Okay, well, I don't know how many times we've been to a cafe, but girl, we're going to a cafe because I want to evolve you. I want to evolve you. Which ones can I go to? Is this one of, I don't want to accidentally, I keep forgetting which one charges like a stupid amount of money. Don't age him up. I know, he's so cute, right, Nye? Like a really cute little baby, but like I'm getting to a point where the moveset is just like not good enough for me. Like it can only do so many things that I need a better moveset. Is this the oh I thought that this was gonna be one of the ones where it's like I'm gonna charge you $100,000 for coffee, because there are places like that, and that's insane. She doesn't like you? What the heck? Maybe I haven't taken her to a cafe enough. Well, I'm here now. Like, look at her though. Look how cute. She is really heckin' cute. And I do love her a lot, but I'm at a point where I think that she's a little too low leveled for my squad, which is really sad. And she needs to not know how to do splash. I don't know if I can replace that move. The last time I checked, it didn't have enough moves, but that was a while ago. So maybe there's a chance I could replace it and get over it. But I really want a Lot Bunny. But then in Legends Arceus, I have an alpha Lot Bunny, and it's gonna be weird because she's gonna be so small. Like even the Lot Bunny is gonna be so small. What's my favorite Pokemon of all time? This is very hard, but I can show you. I can show you some of them. I love Sprigatito, and I love Leafeon. I saw someone with a Leafeon in game, by the way. I wanted to steal it. I love Vaporeon. And I have Luxio over there too, but he's looking a little sketchy, and I think if I pull him down, he's gonna knock something over. So I'd say all of those, and Haunter. But it's hard. I can't pick just one. Like, I don't know who my favorite all-time Pokemon is. I tend to like a lot of ghost types, electric types, and grass types, I would say, overall. What about you, Linnersy? What about you? Go to cafe with Pokemon in front of your party like 4 times. So this is 1 time though, right? Like this counts as 1 time. Look how happy she is. Have you seen the shiny? No. I had to talk to you though about a shiny because I have a problem. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna leave and I'm gonna just continue to do the same thing over and over. But the problem is, here's the problem. So I told you guys I have this guy, right? This guy. And I love him because alpha Pokemon, duh. Very cute, duh. Looks like really silly giraffe. However, you know what I caught yesterday? You know what the it's all pink. So I'm like, chat, I'm like, do I do I put the shiny Mareep on my team and evolve that and then have a shiny, like, you know, the whole, like, the shiny Ampharos, the shiny Fluffy. The shiny Fluffy doesn't look very much different, though, than the regular one. But yeah, so this was a quest. I think anybody can get this quest. I think that anybody can get a shiny Mareep, by the way. Like, this is like the shiny quest or whatever. But I'm like, would you guys put the, yeah, you can, Ahmed. Yes, you can. Would you guys put the, would you put the shiny on your team or would you put the alpha Pokemon on your team? Because I love alpha Pokemon, but the shiny version of the Ampharos is pink. It's pink. And I'm like, that would be so cute, but then it would be so small. And then I would have a level 12 Pokemon on my team with like a lot of higher level Pokemon. So I'm like, what do you guys think? Shiny? Okay, I'm going to take a poll. So that if you guys don't want to type in chat, you don't have to. So you have to tell me if I should have the shiny Mareep or the alpha Ampharos. Okay, you have. I'll give you. I'll let this just go. But yeah, hunt for a shiny alpha. Do those exist? That's gonna make me lose my hecking mind. That's gonna absolutely make me lose my mind. But then the other thing, you guys have probably noticed, I can evolve my Bayleaf, but I'm really attached to the Bayleaf, and I don't want to evolve it. And I felt the same with Chikorita. I was like, I don't want to evolve it, but I know I should because this is gonna be my most powerful Pokemon. So I was gonna do that with you guys on stream, but we're gonna go back to the cafe. Wait a second, I need to get her. Because I swear to God, maybe I just didn't go to cafes enough. I swear this little munchkin will not evolve for me. So we're gonna do this again. I will evolve him. I will. But I'm just I don't know what to do. I feel like this game more than a lot of other Pokemon games, I'm very stressed out about my team, my squad. Like I don't know who I'm vibing with, and like some of my Pokemon are already not vibing with me because I'm too low leveled and I need to do my rank up battles really badly. Okay, let me scroll up. I'm behind in chat. Sorry, I rambled. You need your shiny Umbreon. I hope you can get your shiny Umbreon back. I get really like stressed out because like what if you do find your shinies like how I just did, but then it's like I already have this high level Pokemon on my team. I don't know. Your favorite is Ponyta, its evolution, Rapidash. Ever since I found out he was getting a Galarian from Pokemon and Shield, you had to get it. That's so fun. I think like, is it the Alpha Rapidash is like one of the first ones that you find in Arceus, like off to the left in like that first area. I'll never forget running into that Pokemon for the first time. I don't remember which it was, but I know that that was something that happened, and that's my memory with this Pokemon. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna click the link that Ahmed sent me. Ahmed, that's pink too. What if I don't find one though? I don't know anything about Pokemon, so you say go for the cute one. So the pink, probably. Oh my god, all of you are saying shiny over the alpha. Oh god, okay. There's an area where you can hunt for a Wait, you can hunt for an alpha Ampharos? But I already have one. So I just need, I need, I don't know. Shiny alphas exist. That's, oh my god. You're trying to hunt for an alpha EV for Umbreon. Oh my god, I want an alpha Vaporeon. I feel like whatever the motivations are in this game, whatever the objective is, I'm not doing it. Like, I'm just not doing it. Am I gonna rank up today? I don't know. I'm just saying, I don't know. The pink. You shiny failed for the first time in this game. It was a Delibird and it ran away before you could catch it. No! Did you try doing the save things? Ah! Finally! It took me 2 seconds! Guys, I've been stressed out all week! And now I have a Lop Buddy! All I wanted was a Lop Buddy! Oh my god! Jesus Christ, I can't believe this. I can't please unlearn Splash. This is all I'm asking for you, is to please unlearn Splash. I don't even care. I don't care what you do. I just need you to not splash. I don't know. I don't actually care what you're doing. I just need you to not do anything that you were previously doing. Oh my god. Anyway, I'm back. I can't. We're back. It was your second shiny you found in the wild too. I'm so sorry about that though. I'm so sorry. Meh. You want a shiny Fennekin so bad. Are we just gonna shiny hunt today? It could happen. It could happen, you know? If you would accept it, you could send me a shiny Bunnery. I don't know if I will accept it yet. I will have to think about it. I really like to find things on my own, but I really appreciate you offering, because you probably have more shinies than anybody I know in the entire world. That area with the Ampharos can be reset over and over until there's a shiny. Ah! Wait, that's crazy! That's, oh god, I'm gonna spend a whole stream doing that. It's like villager hunting, but like not, you know? Okay, also, since you guys are all voting for the shiny over the alpha, I will, this makes me get a little sad, but I will trade my shiny Mareep for my Ampharos, and I'm keeping all of my alphas in box 3, so if in case you're wondering, I know that the chat's kind of hiding it. These are all of the alphas that I've caught so far. These are them all. So, and then there's some in my squad, like this is an alpha, this is an alpha, and this is an alpha. So now we have to level up my Mareep and get it to evolve. Hold on, I wanna, yay! Wait, let's look at her. Ah, she's so tiny! She's so tiny! I'm so used to the alpha Pokemon. Oh my goodness, she's so cute! Okay, I'm happy, I'm very happy. I'm very, very happy. All it took was all my money. You forgot to save. I'm sorry. You'll find another one though. Let's all shiny hunt together. Okay, wait, let's okay, but wait, first, so the missions today is I want to evolve this into a Haunter, which I think should be fine because I think that's in 2 levels. I guess we should evolve the Bayleaf. Are you guys ready? Don't listen to chat? What do you mean don't listen to chat? Wait, what? Wait, about shiny hunting? The alpha is so small. What rank am I right now? I'm a very scary rank V. Like, so scary. I already have my fight. I already went through. I can go battle. I have all my max tickets. I just choose to do nothing. I just choose to do absolutely nothing. I'm gonna be so stressed out this whole game. No, my baby. My baby. My baby. Oh my god, a little angel! A little angel, a little flower angel! I thought you could already do Leaf Blade. Oh, sorry. Razor Leaf. Go battle, but so now I have to take the Mareep off my team? Okay, so fine, here. We're gonna teach you your new move, just for fun. Should I do Leaf Blade or... Oh no, I'm gonna... Oh, this one is so annoying to fight against. Sorry, you can't see it. It's the Leech Seed. I have a really hard time fighting against that, but okay. Here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna put the Ampharos back on my team for now. Okay? Just for now. And we'll go do this battle, because I think this squad is pretty good. Actually, I could, you know what else I could do, actually, is my previous Haunter that I was using is also stronger than this Alpha. Ghastly. I was just waiting to evolve it into another Haunter. I was just simply waiting to evolve it into another Haunter. Okay, so this is probably my most powerful squad now. We'll go do the battle. That was a lot, guys. And I promise I'll put the shiny back. Yay! Meganium. Okay, but now I don't know where my battle is. Like, wait, I don't remember. Guys, I don't do anything. It's here. I can't fly there. I'll fly here. Okay, we'll go do it. I'm scared to jump right into battle, honestly. You still have tackle? I removed it. I was doing fine, though. I was surviving. You need to rank up for your monster. Yeah, you do. So the I think right now only Pokemon up to level 40 will listen to me, which is a problem for my... Oh, amazing. Which is a problem for my Raichu, because my Raichu is level 41. And the second, when it was still a Pikachu, was when it was started to not listen to me, and I just have so many memories of it just shaking its head at me anytime I would tell it to do something, and it made me really sad. I was like, oh no, please listen to me, and it never did. You got a female Chikorita for your starter? Let's go. I don't know what gender mine is. Wait, let's look at it. Oh, it's a little boyo. You're such a cute little boyo. Oh, it's cute. I do miss the Bayleaf though. I think Bayleaf is my favorite of the Chikorita evolutions, which is why I hesitated for so long to evolve it. All right, you guys ready? I have to do this. You know how long I have not done this for? Shadow! Oh my god, creeping up on 4 years! You're not old, you're not old. Thank you very much for the resub. Thank you. Let me move my alerts in a weird spot. Okay, that's better. Thank you, I appreciate it. How are you? How's your weekend? And Ori, thank you for the resub. Oh my god, thank you. What? It's not my birthday! Thank you guys for the resubs today. Oh my god. Thank you, Ori. Thank you. I appreciate it. How are you guys doing? Oh my god, this is it. I know, but this is like the one where it's like if I win, I get ranked up to like rank F or something like that. Was that a lie? Don't tell me actually. Don't answer that. Are we ready? Secure. Nobody's old. I'd rather pass out than take orders from a rank B. This is so sad. Also, Vinny is here. Naru. It's not my birthday. Thank you for the gifted sub. You can't gift any more subs ever. You've gifted 111. That's good. 111. Thank you. Thank you for the support. Actually, May, June, July, August, October. It's almost my half birthday. If we had to say something, it's my minority now. Thank you, though. I appreciate it. Hey, it's okay. None of us are old. We are all battling our Pokemon together still, no matter what age we are. Do I need to read this? Not even one of AZ's personal acquaintances. I didn't read. If I believe I'm ready. But what if I'm not? Because this sounded... Oh, wait. Oh, wait. I don't remember how to do a Mega Evolution. That was also something I did off stream. No, so sorry. It's your birthday. Happy birthday. So sorry. Is today your actual birthday or was yesterday your actual birthday? If you guys could say happy birthday. It's So Sorry's birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. I think it's your birthday at least. I don't actually know if it's your... Is it today? Was it tomorrow? Was it yesterday? Would you like a shiny? No, I don't need one, but thank you. I like to find all the Pokemon on my own, but you're the second one to offer me a shiny, and I very am grateful that you guys are offering me, but I like to find them on my own. Thank you very much, though. You're gonna be old in a couple of weeks. No, you're not. You're gonna be 1 year wiser, for sure. We're gonna battle. It's not your birthday. When was your birthday? but weren't you celebrating your birthday? Did you get a brownie? Was I lied to? I may be young, but you're joy. No, it's okay, Dream. I woke up with back pain, so I understand. Oh, it's on Wednesday. Oh, so you celebrated early. Okay. Well, I've been told I'm not allowed to wish people an early birthday. You're you're eating the brownie right now. Did you give him one? Naya's like, no, it's mine. See ya. Oh, I have to pay attention. I have to pay attention, guys. Is this really? I'm questioning if this is really gonna yeet me up in the higher ranks. He said he was full. Oh my god. I want a brownie. You know what I think about when I see this Houndoom is I only think about the alpha one that has attacked me like crazy every time I'm in that section, whatever that sector is. Okay, nothing works. Nothing works. Nothing works. Nothing works. Nothing works. Nothing works. I can't lead with you. I know this doesn't work either. I don't know who to be. Hold on. This works. I'm gonna lose this by like default. Also, why? Never mind. Okay, sorry. I like how when you run in circles, your Pokemon run in circles with you. I think that's so funny. Did you guys notice that? I'll do it next time. Look, ready? Sorry, I know I'm supposed to be paying attention. I feel bad fighting a Bunnery because I just evolved mine and I was just so mad at my Bunnery. I swear, you're still so cute. You're still so cute, but I really wanted a lot, buddy. You're so cute, but I really wanted a lot, buddy. Okay, let's go. He has 2 more Pokemon still? I got this. Isn't the twirling so cute? It's not my birthday. Hi, Ghost Slimes. I will hide. I guess I'll hydrate now. Okay. Sorry, I'm locking in. Chat, do you think I can win my first try? Then I can actually start doing all the nighttime battles again. Ah! I don't think I have anything that can... Oh, God. I don't have any Mega Evolution anything on my team right now. Because you can't just Mega Evolution anybody, correct? Like, it has to, You have to have your stone. I don't have that. I don't have a stone for any of these guys. Oh, this was a bad idea. I don't know who to use, so I'm just gonna run around and like a fool. Ah! No! I don't think I can do anything. Yeah, only certain Pokemon. I don't have one in my squad right now, so this might be, I don't know. Hi, welcome in, welcome in. Thank you so much for the raid. Hi, hi, hi. Reaper, hello, welcome in. I hope that you're doing well. I'm so sorry you're witnessing this battle right now. Thank you so much for the love, Reaper. Everybody coming from Reaper's stream. Hello, it's so nice to meet you. I am Luna. I'm sorry if you're witnessing me mess up on a battle really bad because I don't know if you were playing Pokemon, but I don't have any Mega Evolutions on my team, and I think I should in this very moment, and I don't. So I'm sorry if this is what you are witnessing of me in this moment. But I hope that you're doing well. I hope that you had a very lovely stream. If you guys don't know me, I am Luna. I'm a variety streamer on Twitch. I stream mostly, oh my god, this doesn't do anything. I stream mostly Pokemon, Stardew Valley, art, Splatoon, etc. And thank you so much for bringing your community here. I'm sorry that I'm a fool and can't think right now because I'm in a battle. I'm so sorry. I am usually like this. Oh, never mind. I won. Reaper, I hope that you had such a good stream. I hope it was fun. Thank you so much again for bringing your community here. Sorry, I can't talk and... I can't talk in game, but you were doing art. I hope that you had a really fun art session. Hi, Hybrid, welcome in. Lempos, hello, welcome in. I hope that you all had a really great time at the stream. Do you know Clover? Do you know Clover? Your husband? I just beat him. I beat him on my first try. The cleaning has been cleaned. Let's go. No, I won. I actually won with no Mega Evolutions on my team, which I would say is pretty impressive. I forgot that was gonna be a thing, but I don't have anything that can become a Mega Evolution right now. Ooh. You know Clover, yay, that's so exciting. Oh my god, I love that. He's so gorgeous. I mean, you know, yeah, sure. Yeah, sure, Naru. But I won, so I think that my running around in the city for a week straight instead of actually playing the game was probably good, right? Anyway, superbly fought. With this now, I can confidently say that you are subduing that rogue Mega Absol with no fluke. That was what I had. I forgot what I had. So am I rank F now? Look at me! I feel like they could have chosen any other letter to do like a mega promotion. They could have chosen E or G, but they're like, congratulations, you beat all these really high level Pokemon. F. Like, why they choose this? Why is this what the F for fabulous? Okay, mine was yeah, F's in the chat for my promotion. I should go though. No worries at all. Thank you so much again for bringing your community here. That's very sweet of you. I hope that you have a good rest of your day. I'm sorry that I sounded like a crazy person when you arrived. I promise I am a crazy person, but take care. Okay, I like how Ori interpreted it and the fabulous one instead of just the F's in the chat. But now everyone's gonna be like ultra strong, no? Time for me to shoot straight up in the ranks too. Can't let you outdo me. I mean, I'm ready for my promotion match. Oh, now he's gonna do it? Eva, have you obtained your tickets? Oh, so they're just gonna battle right in front of me? Am I gonna watch? Am I gonna watch? Oh, it already happened? Did it already happen? And he won? Oh, I didn't get to see what happened. How do I know he won? Wait, he won too? Thanks, Min. Aw, so cute. I like my sweater right now. I think it's really cute. You're gonna heal my team, and then I have to mess up my team again. And I get a TM. Okay, cool. I have to mess up my team because you guys said I should put the shiny Mareep on my team. And I have to put my Ghastly back. The sweater is, yeah, isn't it so cute? I think that you know what though? You know what I think? I think I had to get new shoes. Do you remember when I had the shoe saga and I was stressed out about my shoes? I think that my shoes right now don't match my shirt as much as they matched the previous shirt. So I think that we might have to do some customizing today. His shoes. He built up the Totodile and just want it just like that. Just like that. Haruka, thank you for the 358 cups of tea. Yeah, we're gonna go shopping, except I have to fix some stuff now because now that I won, I need to mess up my team again. We need to evolve my Alpha Ghastly into an Alpha Haunter. And y'all voted for Shiny. So, Ampharos. But then imagine I'll have like 2 cool Ampharoses. Like I'll have the Alpha one and then eventually I'll have a Shiny one. And then that'll be great. It's just gonna take some time to get there. Can I ask one thing that will benefit you? Before shopping, sure, does it relate to shopping? Does it relate to shopping? Come on, little bunny. Let's go shopping. Because I think that my shirt's a little bit more gray toned and my shoes are like a little bit more like cream colored, which was like the previous sweater that I owned. But I think I want black shoes. Head to the croissant. Oh, it's right here. This? Sorry, I read that as croissant. Kinda, he says. I know, what's gonna happen? The bunny hops, please not. Have you ever played a Pokemon game? Look how cute. I love her. Hi, DJ. How are you? Do I have to head to the croissant? This, Ahmed, this looks like the story. This looks like the story. I don't think I'm going to do the story. I think I'm going to go. I'm gonna go shopping. Do you want me to actually play the video game? You played Arceus and just ran around scared of the big Pokemons. Honestly, that's really valid. I can shop in there? Wait, really? I've never been in here before. Oh, was that? Oh, but it looks like the story. Oh, it's part of the story. Oh, shopping is the story. Shopping is the story. I'm seeing where the thoughts are coming from. Please have a seat. Are you gonna bring me shoes that perfectly match my outfit? I want like big black platformers. What a building if Croissants got the money to build this, and there's no wonder that they got the ZA Royale to catch on so quick. Luna, you've had your rank raised, but I must confirm. Do you agree to lend us your aid dealing with the cases of the rogue mega evolutions when they arise? That's why I'm here. I'll lie. Hi, Velvet. My character is so you. I think she's kind of like me. I feel like a little bit different, but kind of like me, right? Are they going to bring... There's something in here that you will like that I can buy. Okay. I wish my hair could like ombre like this though. I can't do this with my hair. My hair doesn't do this. That color is nice too. I have like a similar, like there's like highlights underneath my hair that I think are like a little brighter than that, but I like this hair a lot. Only a handful of people are aware of the crisis Lumiose City now faces, including we three. While Croissant Inc. has been providing highly ranked trainers with mega rings of our making, we're not divulged in these sensitive truths to them. We must work in lockstep to resolve the current crisis without the people of the city coming to realize that they were ever in any danger. This sounds like storyline. It's honestly amazing. We've managed to keep them so far for 2 entire years. 2 years? What do you mean 2 years? Yes, 2 years ago is when it began for us. Whoa. Do I have to read a lot of text? AZ realized that the city was in peril, so he approached Croissant Inc. with a proposal. Knowing of our urban redevelopment efforts, he said that Lumiose was crying out in pain. Can you even imagine? The terror of being on the receiving end of a glare from that towering of a giant man. I read that wrong. It was clear he was serious about his claims, so we began our own investigations into the matter. What we discovered was existence of a mysterious power with the potential to trigger rogue mega evolutions in Lumiose City. We've been calling it mega power, but why is it accumulating here in Lumiose? That's something our efforts still haven't been able to answer. And then 6 months ago, we witnessed rogue mega evolution occurring for the first time. AZ and his Floette did their utmost to pacify the poor Pokemon together, and yet AZ unfortunately lacks the constitution for the lengthy battles, which left us with little recourse. I'm trying my best, guys. 200 quotes is insane. Yeah, it's Croissant. Croissant. Why is bro so tall? I mean, I'm that tall too. Yeah, it's just that I know he's actually tall. That's when I stepped in to help. You were there. Wow. I swapped in for AZ and battled along the Floette in his place. That's why I say it amazing. I'm 7'5". It took us all by surprise. I just had to help, you know? He's done so much for me, like putting up me up at the hotel. I want to repay him, still do. Besides, Floette did all the work. She's special Pokemon, and the Light of Ruins moves amazing. Thank you for the 10 stream streak, DJ. Thank you very much. That's how your friend Urbane there found out about the threat to Lumiose and what inspired him to create this Team MZ, as you called it. He put in every effort to into reaching the upper ranks in order to be in a better position to help us deal with these cases of rogue mega evolution. And now you've made it to those very ranks. Urbane, Luna, we will be depending on your strength. Orange? That's why my back hurts, though. Who's this? Oh. I like the earrings. They're moons. Can I buy those? Who's that with you? Madame President. That's like the highest rank is Madame President. You have rank Z through A and then Madame President. These are these two young trainers who have been working with AZ. I see. How lovely to meet you both. I must return to my duties now that the President Jet has arrived. Please do excuse me. The hair and everything is just amazing. The character designs, I think, are really fun in this game. Now you know why it's so important for Team MZ to be strong. Okay, we should think about heading back to the hotel. No, I was told I could go shopping here. I was told I can go. Hello? Hey. Hey. Let me in. What? We at Quasal Inc. are gathering mega shards in order to... You want my mega shards? We'll happily exchange them for mega stones. Girl. Do you know... Guys, guess how many mega shards I have? Guess how many mega shards I have? Wait, are they maxed? Are they maxed? Are they maxed? Do you see them in the upper right-hand corner? Are they maxed? Why am I destroying all these rocks then? Why am I destroying all these rocks? Hi, Joe. Welcome in. Wait. There's one for Lop Bunny? There's one for Lop Bunny? Okay, well, wait. Hold up. So if you have one, that's it, right? Like that's it. You don't need to buy anymore. But I don't have any of these other Pokemon. An Alakazam, Heracross, Lucario, Gyarados. I don't think I have any of these other ones though. Lop Bunny! Do they change? Do they rotate? I am glad I listened to Ahmed. Now I can give it to Lop Bunny. Let's go. Let's go. Wow. Mega Evolution. So, but do they, okay, chat, you can answer this. Do they rotate? So like, will they always be different like every day? These can't be the only ones that are available. I'm not going out here with a mega pit bird. They add more stones and more, the more crystals I destroy, they don't rotate. So I should buy a lot of stuff is what you're telling me. There's no rotation. Okay. You unlock more. Oh, okay. Well, I'm gonna buy a bunch of these XP candies because I destroy rocks like there's no hecking tomorrow. Like I really do destroy rocks like there's no hecking tomorrow. So if they max out, I have to do that. I absolutely have to do that because otherwise they're gonna just all be there. Give to a Pokemon. Oh, she's so perfect. She's so perfect. Actually spend them so you'll unlock. Okay, so that's good. Should I spend even more, I wonder? Like, you can't ever have enough XP candy. I don't think I've used any of my XP candy yet. I don't... Where is it? Oh, I have a lot. Wait a second! Wait a second! Wait a second! You would shop and empty them all? Hold up. Hold the phone. Get rid of all of them? Y'all. Wait. This is... Wait. I get to... Wait, hold on. I need to... Guys, we need to evolve a lot of my Pokemon. This is happening. We're using everything. We're using everything. How high is that gonna go? problems today. This solves all my problems. I didn't know if I should save anything for everything. Thank you so much for the follow. Welcome in. Alpha Hunter. Alpha Hunter. Alpha Hunter. Alpha Hunter! I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I love Hunter. How many times is this gonna evolve? Because it has to... Oh, God. Okay. So, am I gonna have my shiny Alpharos immediately? I mean, it has to evolve first into Floppy, right? But I think it's gonna tell me it can evolve twice. I think the only difference, though, is the little color on the back of the tail, right? Can I let you know something else about Haunter? Is it good or bad? Oh, I don't... Oh, there's no Gengar. there's no Gengar. I knew that. There's no Gengar. It's only Haunter. it's only Haunter. there's no Gengar. Don't worry. Don't worry. I don't. Haunter's my favorite. Oh, he's giant. He's giant. I love Haunter. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to sound crazy when I said that. Haunter is one of my favorite Pokemon. So this is the final station. this is the final stop on the train. Oh my god, he's so cute. He's so cute. And Eva, I like when he spins around with me. Hold on, wait. So now, so small. So since this Fluffy, I think it's like a little paler than the regular one. I might be crazy though, but we have to do it. It's so small. So we should put the alpha one and then the shiny one side by side, right? And see what they look like. Do you think these shopkeepers are like, what the heck is happening in here? Okay, it's really cute. It's not an alpha, but I think that color is so cute. There's something for Ampharos? What do you mean? Sorry, I'm yelling. I just really like to scream at my Pokemon. Wait, but what if I put them... I want to put them side by side. But don't worry, it's not staying like this. Oh, wait, I can claim my move. I have to also fix my, my Pokemon's moves. Hold on. We did enough story, though, today, guys, right? Like, we can just, like, run around like crazy people. So I want to put this here, yeah? What is this? Oh, I don't want that. I want everything that just attacks. I don't want to charge anything up. I'm really basic. Is that enough? Is that enough electric type moves? And then what do I have to do here? You always run around like crazy. No, it's so easy to run around like crazy in game, you know? Let's do that. This also leaves them confused. What's the difference? Oh, this is attack and may leave them confused. I'm fine with this. But we have to see... Can you take a bunch of Pokemon out at the same time? Wait, how do you take multiple out at the same time? Oh, that color is really nice. Oh, that color... Look at that color. That's so pretty. Oh, God, it's really pretty. It's like the same height as me. I can't in this game. That's so sad. So you have to just use your brain and, and remember. Hold on. I can sit on the bench and hang out. Okay, should I do that? Should I do that? Hi, James. Thank you so much. Thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you for the streak and for the lurk. Yeah, let's just get some more of these because you're right. I should just max them all out. We'll do that for now. I'm pretty confident that that's good for now. Wait, but so I can't, but this isn't where I buy new shoes. So I have to go buy new shoes. But let's sit on the bench. I forgot you could sit on a bench. I feel like I'm going crazy right now. Ah! Big fancy corporate buildings like this really put me on edge for some reason. I know how to take that edge off. Let's go get something to eat. Oh, okay. Oh, but so I can go sit on a bench in the meantime. I have to change my shoes. It is the shoe problem again. It is. You also feel like you're going crazy? I'm really sorry. I mean, I didn't mean it to be like this. Where's the bench? You were a bench. Where would you be? Wait, look at that Raichu compared to this Raichu. Okay. And my Raichu will listen to me now. Wait, so I want to see what rank will listen to me. Like, how do you, oh, if you view here? Pokemon at level 60 or below will listen to my commands. Okay, so I basically I can run around like a crazy person until my Pokemon are level 60, and then I have to do stuff again. That's how this works, right? Oh, thanks. Huh? Oh, okay. Great, I need a bench. Is this a bench? No. It's not a bench. Does it have to look like a bench? It can't just be like a wall. What a weird thing for me to look around and need. But I guess I'm running in the direction of what I'm... Oh my god. At Quasel? Okay. Quasel! Oh, over... Are those benches? Those are chairs. Oh, this is a bench. Hi, Sippy! How are you? It has to be an actual bench, man. Oh my god, look at my Haunter! He's so big! What a nice bench! Where are they? I said hang out with my Pokemon. Oh, they're everywhere. Oh, they're everywhere. Oh my god, wait, they're everywhere. Wait, the whole point of... Oh my god, look how cute. The whole point of this, though, was to see the Ampharosas next to each other. But instead, everyone's sleeping. Legends of the Bench, that's exactly what it is. But how are you? Welcome in. I'm doing good, I'm doing good. Okay, so I think I need a better bench. But look how cute. Look, I'm just hanging out. I think my Haunter's asleep. I have, this is a lot of electric type Pokemon. Honestly, though, that's kind of my mood always. Okay, but so I will keep the shiny. I will keep the shiny because you guys voted for the shiny. And I do think that the shiny is, oh, sorry, this one. I do think that the shiny is very cute. I think it's very cute. I think that these colors are like perfect. Oh my god, it's so cute. So cute, so cute. Okay, but then I keep forgetting I had Gyarados here. I was like, who was here though? I think this is looking pretty good. Don't look at the two electric type Pokemon, but I feel pretty happy with this. I need better water type Pokemons though, because I think I do want to replace him. But I'm pretty happy with everybody else. I do think probably I should, can I give Raichu moves that are not, or like one of them moves that are not electric? Oh my god, the snack time lasted that long. That's actually really impressive. Congratulations. I know. No, whatever. I'm not changing it. No fire type. You have an issue and you tend to have way too many fire types. I tend to have no fire types. The only fire type Poke... Well, that's a lie. So my first gen starter is Charmander, but I have a Charmander, but I don't really care for... this is a really hot take. I don't really care for Charizard. So I don't have him on my team, but the only fire type Pokemon that I really would probably want is Flareon. And I never have a Flareon. Like I feel like in like the last couple of games I just have not, I haven't found them, or I just haven't used a Firestone to evolve them. You forgive me? Okay, thank you. Yeah, I don't have any fire types that I really really want. I don't know, but that's okay. I just like to play this game called See How Long I Survive until somebody forces me to have a different type. They're definitely cool, Joe. They're definitely cool. Yeah, I don't know. Arcanine is good. Scorbunny I do like. I like Scorbunny. You don't care about Charizard too much. I feel like that's kind of a hot take, is it not? I feel like that's like one of the more popular... I don't know. I'm not a huge fan, but that might just be me. You claim the cookie jar. Let's go. Gyarados is very cool. You don't care for Charizard? Yeah, I don't know. I just don't really care. But I think that that's fine. I feel like fire types and fighting types and bug types are the ones that I never ever have on my squad. Like ever. Houndoom's okay. Not my favorite personally. But that's okay. It's all fine. Like I said, I'm gonna see how far I can get before like something really forces me to have a different type of Pokemon. And we're gonna shop for shoes. You're gonna... Oh, okay, bye. I mean, it's not hate, just not one of my favorites, just an opinion. I don't think it was really hate. For me, Charizard is so hyped up, like, just like the Pokemon you want to like. I feel like when I think of Charizard, I think of expensive Pokemon cards. He's a popular one, but I have loved him from Gen 1 since he was the first Halo Holo card. Oh, you pulled and you still have it to this day? I love that. To each their own, not everyone has to like him. Yeah, I mean, there's so many Pokemon, it's hard to like not have opinions, you know? You were joking? Oh, okay. Did your Pokemon drink a lot of grape juice? It's shiny. It's a shiny. Isn't it cute? It was a shiny Mareep, but I evolved it just now because I had a lot of items. But guys, the question of the hour is my shoes. So we have to change my shoes to match my top. Were these the shoes that I was just wearing? No, they weren't. These are too expensive. I would not have purchased these yet. Or are they? Shiny, shiny. Bye, Dream. Take care, take care. You grew up watching the anime, so he has a special place in your heart. Aw. I also grew up watching the anime. That was like my favorite thing growing up about Pokemon was the anime. Shiny. You have the worst fashion sense. No, first of all, I doubt you have the worst fashion sense. But second of all, I just want like, I think like I just want another pair of sneakers. Like these match, but I think these are too formal for me. I think these are too formal. I want like, I want sneakers. And I feel like there's sneakers in the, where's that really like long, not this, but we'll go here. Yeah, whatever. I'm just gonna check all the shops. And then once I have my shoes, I don't know what we're gonna do. Now that some of my Pokemon are more powerful, maybe we'll go to some of the wild zones. I know that I said I was gonna do some of the story, but I'm rank F. If I jumped from rank V to rank F, that basically means that I can spend like 20 hours doing whatever I want. I think that math really checks out, actually. Wait, you're sad that... Are you giving me mega shards? Jesus Christ, woman, I do not need these. I do not need these. You thought it was a Pokemon stream. It's a shopping stream, and then maybe we'll play some Pokemon. But like I said, I've already... Wait a second. I've already leveled up so much, so... Maybe we can just go to the wild zones. I haven't fully, I feel like I haven't fully conquered some of the wild zones, like the one with the Alpha Houndoom. I haven't done that. Also, how do I get in here? Oh, it's over here. You ran the numbers and math. Yeah, it checks out. I think that, yeah, 20 hours sounds about right, I think. That's what I think. And I don't think that I'm ever wrong in this very moment, so. Okay. Ooh, I like this sweater too. I really like the shape of these sweaters. Should I go try it? Should that be the next task of the day? This is a pretty sweater too. Oh, I don't like these colors. I don't like colors, y'all. I don't like colors. I like to be no colors. Ooh, you know what I've been wanting to make actually too? I've been wanting to make an outfit that looks good with black lipstick, because black lipstick is an option in this game. And I'm like, that's so heckin' cool. I still just want like, are there, oh no, those were all the shops. I want thick black shoes. The glasses are cute too. I haven't bought a pair of glasses. Changes the stream. Shopping Legends DA. That's basically what we're doing. I think the glasses are cute, but I don't want them. I'll keep going around in my head and wondering if I want them someday. Do you guys have favorite shops that you like? Like, I want these, but like in all black. You know? There's one specific shop you can go to that has cute, expensive clothes when you progress to a certain point. Have you not progressed there then? Have you not seen it? These are kind of cute. I wish, like, why aren't these in black? I like thick shoes. But I don't want white. Does wearing no shoes count? I don't know if you can wear no shoes. If you haven't played recently, big EP. That's okay. That's okay. So that's I'm here figuring out all the things for you, but I don't know how far I have to progress in order to, you know, get to those sorts of things. What does everyone have against black shoes? There's no like, well, at least right now I haven't found any all black shoes. Can I go? Oh no. I still get confused a little bit where all of the entrances are to the shops. Then I get confused at which ones I've already gone in. And I know that you can like see the image outside, but I still get confused. Right here. Oh, I think that some of the headbands are cute too, but I don't know if they look good with my hairstyle. Also, why are these white shoes so expensive? Oh, these are black. Wait, these are black, but I don't like them with my pants. But these are black. Yeah, we can wear it out, but now I need new pants. I haven't actually, to be fair, guys, I haven't bought any new, like, I only just recently bought this sweater. Buy new pants. I only own one pair of pants. I do really like this sweater too. I think it's very cute. Oh, they don't have pants here. How dare you not have pants? Hi, Autumn. How are you? Welcome in. Where do I buy pants? You sell pants? You sell pants? See, now I'm like, I haven't looked at pants, so now I gotta pay attention. The fun, yeah, the fun, isn't that really cute? I think it's really cute too. I actually really like these asymmetrical pants too. These are kind of cool. I don't like the colors though. These are, I really like these sneakers. I just don't like the colors. They have skirts, you're obsessed. Where are the skirts? Maybe I have to go to another shopping center. Oh, that sounds fun, Autumn. I hope you enjoy. Maybe I gotta keep hunting. Oh, and these only had like the really bright things. Or shorts. The shorts make me feel naked. I don't want the shorts. I'm gonna go to another shopping center. Okay. I feel like I don't have so many unlocked. Like, I feel like there's some that maybe I have not found yet. Which Min was just saying, oh, this is luxury stuff? Well, maybe we'll go see. Min was just saying that maybe, like, other ones unlock. I don't have that. I'm sure things unlock. Like how the more wild zones unlock and stuff. But for now, we'll try to find a new outfit, and then we'll be on our merry way. Where is that merry way? I don't know, but we're gonna be on it. We're gonna be on it. There's a shopping place near Wild Zone 4 if you have that. Wild Zone. Oh yeah, this one? I'll go there after. I think I'm going to the expensive one right now. The one you were talking about is how a person who tells you you're not popular enough to go into... Oh! Yeah, I was told by someone I'm not good enough. And I said, well, you're mean, and I walked away. That's the one. Oh, so I don't think I can go in there. Apparently I'm not fashionable enough. Although I think this is where everything's expensive. I'm just gonna walk to this to remove it. I don't think I've browsed in here very often. Thank you for your daily. Oh, like, see, like, this looks like expensive stuff. But I mean, I have money. I have money. I'm not as broke as I once was. Oh, it's a skirt. Oh, this is a little bit more expensive though, huh? So what kind of shoes do you have? What kind of shoes? Those are kind of cute. Yes, we pay. I have money. I still have like a couple things I can sell. I did sell a good amount of my, what is it? The mushrooms and the feathers and stuff. Okay, wait, I love that. Wait, because now my outfit's like all black. Ooh. That's so me. This is really cute. That's super cute. I don't think I've looked in here since day one when I was really broke. And I think I just continued to avoid it because I was like, well, I'm broke. Like, see, these look expensive. Aww. This is so cute. Some of the hats are really cute, but I haven't decided which ones I like. Oh my god. I decided which one I like. There's an Eevee one. What are these? Oh, wait, I love these. This is basically like what I think I want. Wait, that's basically what I want. Yeah. We pay. Yes, we pay. Like that, this outfit is fire. I'm gonna buy this, but I'm not gonna wear it out right now. No. We give money. This is what I get for battling my life away. Ooh, like, okay, ugh, I can't see my shoes. Well, we're gonna eventually see them. I think that this looks really nice, but I'm gonna keep browsing for fun because I haven't been in here in a while. This reminds me of Splatoon, the headphones. Tie-dye satchel. Oh, it's just square. I think I like the round ones more than the square ones personally. How do you guys feel? These earrings are so cool. I remember finding these and also thinking that these were so cool. Why is there so many cool stuff? Should I just buy everything? I don't want to wear it right now. I just want to buy it. You have a very similar brown leather satchel. I'm wearing the, like to what I have. Because I think the one that I have had, the one I have has a gold version. You dropped your phone. Are you okay? What do you mean you dropped your phone in the sink? What do you mean? What do you mean? We're gonna check all these shops and then we're gonna go fight some Pokemon. And then when it gets to nighttime, we'll do our battles or whatever again. Because I no longer have any tickets. I like some of these hats. I think that the bucket hats are actually really cute. Do you guys wear a hat in game? Oh, it's a random question, but I don't know. Ew, I don't like those. No, I want to leave. I think my current outfit's cute. You go no hat. Yeah, I don't have a hat right now either. Ooh, these are fun shoes. Oh. Wait, they're not. Oh, these are socks. I can't see my socks, so I don't have any socks because I can't see them. And I can't see what any of the boots look like either because I have long pants. The honk shoes. They're sleeping. Please come back another time. Wait, this is super bright looking. That's cool. These are fun. I like some of these too. These patterns are really fun. Are those pajamas? What, these? I don't know. I don't know what's happening. There's a lot of blue and red. Beady knit beanie. I kind of like the shape of these beanies, so I think that they're cute. I think I'm almost done shopping in here. My Ampharos is just like, girl, we done? Girl, we done? Why are we doing this? This is fun. This basic, like, biker jacket, too, I really like. I think this looks really cool. Ooh, wait, that's fun. That's kind of fun. Why are they sets? Short set. What does a set mean? I only see one object here. I think these gloves are really cool too, but I don't like them with my outfit. We're so back. Is your phone okay? Like, what is happening to your phone? All right, I think I went in the full circle. I think that we're... Oh, I didn't. I didn't go to full circle. I didn't go to full circle. I think these are kind of cool. Flowers. This is fun. Ooh, these color combos are really pretty. What are you? Good night, Sui. Good night. I hope you have a safe flight tomorrow. Thank you for hanging out. You want me to be a samurai? No. I think I have a good outfit. But good night, good night. Sleep well. All right, guys. I think it's time to take on that Houndoom. Houndoom. Where is it? I think that's where we're gonna go. I think we're gonna try to do that, and then when it hits nighttime, we're gonna do our little nighttime fun time, whatever. I love you too. Good night. Good night. Good night. I forget what. I haven't completed this wild zone yet either. I don't know why I haven't completed that wild zone. I haven't even been to this one yet, by the way. I didn't want to go without you guys to some of the new ones. And I haven't completed that one either. This was the evil one. So I already 100%ed this, but we can go here. I'm happy to be here with you, Autumn. I'm gonna fight it though. The alphas come back really quick though. Like the second you beat them, they're already back to attack you again. Have you guys noticed that? All right, here we go. The alpha Pokemon are like quite evil, I think, in this game. I think that they're actually more evil in this game compared to Arceus. If I'm being honest. You saved the universe? Let's go. Wait, how do I... Is that outside of the wild zone? How do you get in there? Sometimes where the buildings are like trip me up a lot. I'm a fool. No. Well, it was nice knowing you, Loft Bunny, that I knew for all of 5 seconds. It's time to go fight the Alpha Loft Bunny or the Alpha Buttery. Oh my god. Wait, who do I use? Oh god. Thank you so much. This is so funny. This is so funny. So the story is when I started stream, I had a Bunnery on my team because I love Lot Bunny. Because in Arceus, I had an Alpha Lot Bunny. And then I was complaining at the beginning of stream because I was like, I love Lot Bunny so much, but I want an Alpha one. Look what's right hecking there! Look what's right hecking there! But so do you know what this means? This means I have to befriend yet another Bunnery. So we have to, like, that took me so long to evolve her. No, but I think that they'll come back. I didn't save, but I'm not too worried about this one. I mean, there's a chance that... Wait, but this one's a boy. I want a girl. I'm being really picky there, though, aren't I? Oh, you can dig? Mine couldn't do that. Am I being too picky? I think that alphas respawn pretty frequently. Am I right in understanding that? Watch me mess up right here and now. Don't the alphas respawn pretty frequently though? Like I think if I left and come back, there would be another one here. Like I feel like there would after, yeah, like I think I can probably catch another one of these and I can see if I can maybe have a girl. Or a shiny! So maybe we can leave and come back. That sounds like a good idea, right? I took no damage in that battle, by the way. Okay, well, maybe a shiny even. Yeah, okay, so we'll come back. We're gonna, where's the big boy? Where is he? Oh god, oh my god, oh, it's just a little boy. But the big one's gonna come out of nowhere. No, oh, yeah, it already happened. Hold on, I heard it. I don't know where it is. That's even more horrifying. Where is it? I think I heard it. Bye, Orange, though. Take care. There it is. There it is. I need a different Pokemon. I don't know what's good against you. This is like the shiny or the alpha battles are so hard because you have to fight so much at once and you have to like, oh, he's leaving. You have to fight so much at once, A, and B, it's really scary because like other Pokemon are like fighting you at the same time and it's so difficult. Take care though, Orange. Bro is unaware. Bro is so unaware. Like, and they come after you. It's really scary, actually. They come fight you. I want to get that one away. Ooh. Okay, so basically we're gonna fight this one for fun, and then we're gonna come back and see if there's another alpha Bunnery. I think that that's a good idea, right? Oh, I have a Mega? That's so true, but now it's crying. Yeah. It's okay. I think it's okay if my Pokemon get a little wiped out. We can come back. We can come back. Oh my god. want me to get in the way. But then the other thing that stinks is I have to come back. Oh, I'm dying. I have to come back here and then it's gonna respawn again. And like, I know that I want to come back here specifically for a specific Pokemon to respawn. Oh, are we good? But this is gonna respawn too. Nice. Okay, I got it. And then he's gonna come back. Ah! Nice, I did it. Except I'm on fire. So I have to go. And it's getting dark soon. Do you think that the next one will be a shiny? Shiny alpha? But I did it, I got it. It's so hard though, like it's hard to avoid them when they respawn so quickly. And then like, you're just trying to not get attacked the whole time. You know what I mean? Please heal my Pokemon. They're sad. And I need to go get the alpha bunnery again. I need to go get it again. And then I need to go to a cafe with it a million times again. I really can't believe how long that took to evolve. Oh, I forgot I changed my shoes. Looking fresh, looking cute. Okay, I'm going back. I'm going back. Has it been 5 minutes, I wonder? We'll find out. It's okay, I have money. This is true, I do have money. Wait, why do I need money? Why do I need money? JC, I have not seen an Eevee yet. Chat, you can't tell me where the Eevees are, but I know I will find them. There's a whole wild zone, though, that I haven't been in yet, because I wanted to wait for you guys. Okay, they're not here yet. But that's okay. We can just hang out. Wait. Oh, that felt really evil for that poor little bunnery. Oh, it's still alive. Oh, we're still fighting. Da-da-da-da. Yeah, I do want an Eevee. Of course I want an Eevee. I wonder, will the alpha spawn if I'm... Bleh, I wonder if it will spawn as I stand in here. This is not the Pokemon. Trying to switch. There we go. They're so cute. Does anyone else, though, just like sometimes just flat out stand in the line of fire and you're like, well, whatever? Because I did that sometimes. Yes. Okay, good. Okay, so maybe we need to kind of go away and come back. What is that guy? Wait, I didn't even notice there was a thing over here. Wait, there's mega shards. There's a ladder. Into the line of fire. No, that's literally me. Yeah. Oh my god. There's an alpha there, but I would like to like get rid of the other ones before I fight that one. No, the sun is setting soon. Oh god. Okay, never mind. I know, doesn't he? He's so cute. Oh, this isn't gonna be so bad. As in, it's already almost on. Please, I just want to fight this one first. Thank you. That was easy. Yay! I got another one. Now I can just get all these down. This is pretty easy. You think that the alpha bunnery came back? Why are there Magikarps literally everywhere, by the way? I feel like they're literally in the entire game. There's like 1 million Magikarps. Can't get through the other side yet. Maybe they respawn, so we'll go see, but I think we're gonna get cut off by nighttime. Which I guess I'm not in a rush to do any more rank up battles, so I will go. We'll go and do some battles. We'll get some practice in, but I really just want to run around. Who sees me? Oh god, okay, it's just a little guy. I was like, who? Still not back yet. Not back yet. I wonder if Lop Bunny will ever appear. That'd make my life a lot easier. Oh, I didn't realize they're right there. Oh, I didn't want to catch him. Maybe I should take advantage, though, of being able to run around freely over here while I can before the other guy respawns, because we know he will. No, no night falling over the city. No, not ready. ready. I'm not ready. In case I need more mega shards. Wait, the Hound Door is still trying to fight us? Where even is it? Oh. I thought it was gonna attack me. I couldn't hit anything because it was gonna tell me about nighttime, but I was getting attacked at the same time. Houndour got in. No! No, he don't. I don't want him to attack me. Okay, chat. We're gonna stay here for just a little bit, and then we'll do some battles. I guess. Let's not die. Not funny. Please. Please. Okay, we're good. Maybe now, because, like, the day reset a little bit, though. Maybe now we'll be able to... Oh, I can't see from up here. See if the bunnery came back. Okay. Anybody up here tonight? Anybody up here? Oh, just a little guy. But nobody different, nobody evil. Sorry if you can hear my dog, like, cry barking right now. I don't know what she's barking at. Okay, let's go... Oh! Oh, she's electrocuted. Man, the alpha still hasn't come back yet. I will never forget about this. I will never forget about the alpha bunnery. I will remember this forever. So maybe we can... I have a schnoodle. A schnoodle. She's very loud. I don't know what she's barking at. I'm still electrocuted. No shinies. There's a lot of them, though. Should we go battle? Maybe that's better for right now. Oh, for context, over the summer I grew green beans, and my dog like loved those green beans more than anything else in the entire world. And it's not summer anymore, so she doesn't have green beans anymore. I don't know if she remembers them. I mean, she probably does. But it was such like a routine. I would like go out into the garden and get green beans, and she would be so happy. Be so happy. And I haven't been able to do that for her in a long time. Well, because it's fall. It's not summer anymore. All right. Would you guys rather go look for the bunnery again, or should we go to the battles? I haven't done the battles in so long. I'm just gonna check quick. Just gonna check. And then we'll go to the battles. How about that? Now I feel like this is gonna be the only thing on my mind. See, I can't... This is why it's hard to play this game. What rank am I? F. I'm so high ranked. Fun, I know. Would I be able to see it through here? Well, I think I'll catch another one eventually. You know what you're low-key doing right now without even realizing? Shiny hunting. What am I doing? Yeah, I know. Because I know. I kind of did realize I was doing it. It's okay. We'll go here and then we'll go back. We'll get some challenger tickets. We'll get some experience, I guess. I guess that's important. But I was low-key. I'm never going to forget that you showed me the shiny version of them. I will never forget this in my life. Sneak up. I can sneak up. I haven't done this in so long because I have had my tickets maxed out for like a whole week because I was like, I got that battle to get ranked up to F, and I was like, I don't want to do that off stream. I'll do that on stream. And then I just continued to run around and play like crazy. Hi, Matt. How are you? Welcome in. No! I was trying to sneak. Oh, I'm battling. I'm battling. How are you, though? Welcome. No. Please don't destroy me. Please don't destroy me. Can I switch Pokemon? A dog. Oh, this has no effect. I didn't know who he was gonna bring out. I was just like, oh no, don't die. Don't. Oh, he died. Oh, God. It's your birthday? Wait, happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Moo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. I hope you have a good day today. I hope you have a good day. And I hope that you're oh my god, I need so many points. I hope that you have a lot of fun activities. That sounds exciting. Bad snack. Yeah, I perished. Oh, I didn't fully perish, actually. I didn't. I did not. That's good. That's good. I just don't want people to perish because then I can't level them up, you know? Thanks for your prize medals. I deserve them. But I need so many points now. I need so many points and I haven't gotten anything for extra points yet because I haven't successfully snuck. Charmeleon. I hope you have a great one. No, you don't see me! I snuck up on you! I know, I need to change. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Okay, okay, I don't want to be set on fire. I can't oh god. The one thing that I noticed is an issue sometimes in this game is if there's like anything obstructing your view, you can't lock into the Pokemon and attack. And that has caused me some problems sometimes. Just saying. I almost said I can terrastalize her. Then I almost said I could, I don't even know what I just thought after terrastalize, but mega whatever the heck didn't come up in my brain. Wait, why am I actually taking damage? Dragonair! I love Dragonair. I love Dragonair. That would be one I would like. I think I did see one at some point. Oh, I shouldn't have taken it. I don't have anything that's useful to me here. Help. Wait, I've never lost one of these. I've never lost one of these. I don't want to lose one of these. They still have 2 Pokemon left. They still have 2 Pokemon left. You two, they're really cute. They're really cute. I did see one actually off into the distance one day, but I couldn't get to it, and I was really sad about it. I did see one. They do exist in the game. Haunter! You have a baby Haunter, though. I have a big Haunter. I have a big Haunter. Oh. That was really fast. They got me there, though. I was like, am I gonna not win this? Then everything was fine. So that's good. But everybody's perishing. I guess I'll use more items. I should probably just go ahead and use the super potions though, because otherwise we're gonna be here for a while. Yeah, Dragonair is really heckin' cute. Everybody else is fine enough. I don't know, they're probably fine enough. I can't believe I haven't successfully snuck up on somebody yet. I need more little, whatever those little cards are. Oh, there's one. What are they doing? Oh, are you suffering? Or what is wrong with you? What is wrong with my... Wait, what is wrong with my Raichu? Do you need a food? It's cursed. Here, eat food. You will no longer... It won't have any effect? Oh. What? No, it's for poisoning. Wait. You want this? Yeah, I could go to the... I just didn't feel like leaving. It was more I didn't feel like leaving. Ooh, I can do that really easily. So, okay, so let me do these 2 where I have to sneak up, because that's really easy for me. And then I will... And then I'll go to a Pokemon Center. Hi, I do, Mongoose, I do! Isn't it cute? How are you, though? Welcome in. Actually, I just evolved it. It was a shiny Mareep until right before stream started. Or until stream started. No, you literally don't see me! So, there's an early on challenge. Like, one of the side quests is about a shiny Mareep. So that's why I think everybody has a... Like, it's easy to get a shiny Mareep. You prefer the yellow? Well, chat voted if I should keep my Alpha Ampharos or evolve the shiny one, and it was 0% Alpha and 100% shiny. But so now I've been challenged to get a Alpha shiny because I think that that's a good compromise, you know? Okay, I really need to heal my Pokemon after this. Oh god. But how are you though? Welcome in. I like that. I think that the color personally of the shiny Ampharos is like really nice and unique. Did I win because I'm suffering? No, man. Thank you for the follow. Welcome in. The birthday. Oh wait, that sounds so cute. That sounds super cute. Oh god, let's win. I want to see the birthday celebration. That's not yellow. This is true. It's not because it's shiny. I won. I wasn't sure if I was gonna win that one. I wasn't sure. And I can't believe I have not been able to sneak up on somebody, and I have 2 sneak ups. I have 2. Okay, we gotta, oh, there's one right here. Perfect. Perfect. And then we'll go back. And then we'll go back in. And I'm gonna sneak up on someone using my electric type moves, and then I'm gonna go back on my crazy train of the alpha bunnery. I'm gonna go back and be crazy again. But see, if I just go to the cafe with the Pokemon, I don't know, is that enough to like up the friendship level? You know, because it took me, like I said, a long time to up my friendship level with my bunnery before. But maybe it was just that one. Who knows? Let me sell stuff while I'm here. I did remember to sell stuff literally yesterday, but let's sell more stuff. Let's sell more stuff because I went shopping today. Sure. Okay. Now, let's go back in and see. Where's the entrance? I guess I could fly to the entrance, but it's literally right here, so. We gotta do the sneak up thing. Drink 6 coffees in front of her. I'm gonna do that. If we can find it, I will literally do that today. I need the Lop Bunny. Oh my god. Muggus? There's no Larry here. Oh my god, though. I watched a TV show the other day and there was a Larry in it. Can you believe that? Oh, we're chat. Heck. Oh no! I was just about to say we're so sneaky. We're so sneaky and I still didn't sneak. That's stuck. Yeah, don't do that. Don't do that. Did I just fight this guy? Do you only have Machokes? Or is this like the girl that only likes the what does she only like? I don't even remember the Pokemon. Chat, I know we're not sneaky at all. We're not sneaky at all. I was like, surely I can sneak up on someone with electric type moves when I have 2 electric type Pokemon in my squad and I'm very sneaky. But it hasn't happened yet. Yeah, no. Oh my god. I'm the worst sneaker. What is that? What is that? I'm gonna die. I've never seen that in my life. Do you have to talk to him to shake him down for his money? I get money at the end of everything. Sorry, I'm just really thrown off by this really sketchy Pokemon. Honestly, same. I don't really like a lot of the fighting type Pokemon personally. I know I have fighting type moves on my Lop Bunny, but oh god, what did you do to her? A shoe joke in there somewhere? Wait, I don't know. What type is this? What even is this? What am I fighting? Like literally, what am I fighting? Oh god! Oh god! What am I fighting? Isn't Lop Bunny a fighting type? She's an exception because she's cute. I meant like Machoke, Machamp, Geodude, all those guys. I don't like any of them. Those ones. Machoke stonks are too high. You catch my drift, right? Takedown. I know that. I know those words from somewhere. I don't think you're ready for the takedown. I won, but I still didn't sneak up on anybody. I still didn't sneak up on anybody. Look how many points I could get. Guys, I gotta do this. I gotta sneak. I gotta sneak. I gotta fix everybody though first. I gotta fix. I need to buy more revives. I'm scarred from Pokemon Scarlet and Violet when my revives came in so handy that when I lost them, I was like, I was at a loss for words. You guys remember that when I fought, was it the Elite Four? I needed so many revives. I was so scared. And now I'm scarred. I'm like, I never want anybody to take my revives away from me. Oh wait, I have to do the sneak up thing 3 times. You can't see me behind this wall, right? Do not come any closer. They can't see through clear walls, right? Turn around. Yes, that's what I thought. Go, 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 go. Yes! At least I did it once. At least I did it once. I can't believe it took me that long. Oh, I don't do very well against them. Oh, actually, I was doing kind of fine. Go. Good. At least I did my mission once. Nice. 1 out of 3, 1 out of 3. So I have to do it 2 more times. You have a victory gift for me? Hey, yo. Delivery. Moo Moo milk? Thank you so much. I'm lactose intolerant, but 5 bottles! 5 bottles! That's... Are you sure? Are you sure? You want to give that to me? Okay, who else am I sneaking up on? That guy. That guy. No, 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 no. Burrows, come here. Come here. We gotta do the sneaky. Oh no, he's coming this way. Why is he walking? Surely this will work, right? Does that count? I don't know if they saw me. I don't know if they saw me. I don't know if that counts. I hope it counts. Here's 5 bucks. No, I don't want the milk. This is so rude, right? I didn't ask for the milk, but I guess it's fine. Did that count? Was I sneaky enough? Yes! I can do it. We're gonna make those points skyrocket, I believe. Oh, this guy's nice. He's the one that heals you. I like this guy. Thanks. No worries. No worries. Have a good birthday. Enjoy. Oh, no. Enjoy, enjoy. Oh, my God. Sorry, I gotta go after that guy, but he has to turn around. Can you imagine, like, actually being so sneaky, even though he's in plain sight of me? Still not close enough. Still not close enough. Still not close enough. Done. Let's go! Let's go. I got this. I got this. Okay, that was pretty productive. This is pretty productive. I could have gotten a 3rd ticket or whatever, but... Oh, I need... This isn't gonna work, huh? Protect? Give me a mode where there are no healing NPCs. Go to a Pokemon Center or bring me healing supplies. Oh, God. Oh, God. That was good. That was good. Hi, Donnie! Love the turntables on being sneaky in battle. So it's, yeah, exactly. Are you playing Pokemon Legends CA? How are you? Welcome in. 13,000 points. Let's go. Are you Genki? Hello. Okay. What was that? I don't know what that was. That noise was. You slipped on a jelly. That was... Stop! I didn't do that. I didn't do that. That didn't happen. I'm doing well. Thank you. Oh, I got their bonus cards. What do you have? Land hits with a Mega Evolved Pokemon. I'm not doing that. I'm leaving. I'll do that another day. Another time. I'm leaving. Goodbye. Goodbye. Can't give me your cards and tell me what to do because I'm gone. And I'm gonna go check for the alpha Pokemon again. didn't like his hat? I can make it. I know I. Oh. That was my leg. That was my leg. You've never played Pokemon? No, that's okay. I feel like Pokemon's kind of a long, or like a, how do I describe it? Like a scary thing to get into because there's so many games. You know? I'll evolve the Lop Bunny when I have my alpha one. Someday. Maybe I can manifest it, right? What wild zone was this? Here. Yeah. We're trying again. I swear that after I catch this one and I evolve it into a alpha Lop Bunny, it's just going to I'm gonna just find one on the streets. Like I swear that's gonna happen. Come back. Where is it? Well, we're shiny hunting at the same time, so it's okay, right? I'm surprised it didn't come back though. I mean, I know it's going to. But what if we find a pink one? All right. Oh, it's still here? Didn't realize that. Just buy the new game. No, I know, but I mean, it's not easy. I don't feel like it's an easy like franchise for people to get into. Like the games make it easy for new players to play, but I think it's a little bit intimidating. Maybe is a better way to phrase it, in my opinion, because there's so many history and with Pokemon, and there's been so many games. It's like how I feel about Zelda. Battle zone deactivated. How much money did I make? I mean, I did 8 battles. That's pretty good. That's 8 more battles than I did this entire week as I played Pokemon, so. Made money. Money for clothes. All right, back to what I was doing. If this fails though, and I need to start doing something else, we could in theory go, because I haven't been to I have not been to some of the other, like I haven't completed Wild Zone 9. I actually don't think I've completed, I don't know what I still need here. There's some of the other ones that I haven't completed. I was trying to complete them all before I kept moving. Have I just never been to Wild Zone 8? Why do I have nothing here? What is this? Maybe I've never been. No, but you know what I mean though. It's hard to get into a franchise that's existed for like 30 years if you're somebody that, you know, might be a little bit nervous too. It's not an easy franchise, I think, to get into. Not saying that the games are not hard to get into. I think that it can be intimidating going into a new franchise when there's already been so much history in the franchise. You know what I mean? I'm getting the general impression that this game does not involve sleeping. I never sleep. So maybe not. Oh, what is that? What is that? Well, we can disagree. I think it can be difficult to get into a game if you haven't played it very much. Wait, how many things are fighting me right now? What? How many things are fighting me right now? I don't even know what I'm paying attention to. Dude! How many things are fighting me? This is insane. Oh, I can't, oh my God. What is happening? I don't even know I don't even know who I'm fighting. This is crazy town. This is absolute crazy town. Do I have you? I do. I have a chomp. Sorry, I don't know what I'm doing right now. A Korok. Wait, do I have this one? No. Oh my God, I missed. Oh my God, I don't want to fight you. You don't know how to approach Final Fantasy. Yeah, I mean, that's another game that's really hard, I think, to get into. There's so many Final Fantasies. What just happened? Like, what just happened? That's how you feel with Final Fantasy 14? Yeah. You had the emulator for the Game Boy during school, beginning of college, but you played so little Pokemon it doesn't count. Yeah. I mean, yeah. It can be hard to get into. Got the Ruby one to play in Japanese, but you never started. See, now the playing it in another language is also hard because like the localization is totally different. So then if you try to talk to people about it in like another language, it can be really hard. It can be really challenging to do so because like all the localization is so different, you know? Do you rob yourself of enjoying something because you haven't been there for 30? I mean, I think that if someone really wanted to play it to the point where they felt like they were robbed, they would pick it up and play it. That's how I feel. I don't necessarily feel like I'm robbed of something by not playing a game because I don't feel like playing it or because it's had a long history and I don't feel like keeping up. But it depends on, I guess, the motivation to play or whatever. I don't know. I don't know what we're talking about anymore. Oh my god, I'm not fighting that. I don't know what that is. I'm not fighting it. This is insane. I'm not fighting that. I am not fighting that. I am not fighting that. No. Nope. Nope. No. 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 No, you don't see me anymore, actually. You don't see me at all. I don't exist here. No. Absolutely not. I just want to fight these Pokemon that I have not been able to catch yet. Is that so wrong? That's so wrong? I don't want that. Dude, the alphas are just like, they like really come out of nowhere, I feel, in this game. Like they're like, they come out of nowhere and I'm just like, oh. You went into the zone and all the yo, for real. Also, hi, Story Bunny. Thank you so much for the lurk. Thank you, thank you. Oh my god. So what do I still need in here? Like what? I feel like probably if I'm missing somebody, I need them at night. There's two. Okay. Oh god. Maybe they're in the ground then. I don't know. Well, I guess we can fight. Well, we made some progress, which was good, right? Even if everything was just insane all at once. I don't remember though why I didn't come in here at all. Like prior to streaming. Oh my god, I can't lock in. There we go. What if the alpha comes out of the ground? What if he comes out of the ground? What happened? What was that noise? Is there any merit to anything that I'm doing right now? I'm trying to see if any other types are gonna come out of the ground that I haven't caught yet, but it seems to be all these guys. That's the same one. And I keep just one hit destroying them. Bye. Bye. I don't know where that alpha is, and it's kind of scaring me, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I don't know where he went. I don't know where he went! I feel like there has to be maybe something I'm not seeing in this section. Unless the ones that I'm missing just don't come out until nighttime. I'm just beating everybody up at this point, though. Like, I don't think anybody has a chance. I don't think anybody has a chance. Does this have a merit to it? I don't know. Oh, I'm being attacked. These guys are evil. I don't like these. The infinite noise of everybody just being destroyed is kind of hilarious, though. Okay, well, that's the same. Oh my god. There's just so much to fight in here. And I still am missing two. I'm afraid, though, because I don't know where that alpha went. I'm running around freely, but is that a good thing or a bad thing? I don't know. Oh, I don't have you. I think that I tried to catch him and it didn't work. So we'll try again. Did it work? Okay, I'll try again. I'll try again. Try to get him. Sorry, buddy. I think I'm too overpowered for a lot of these. don't know if it shows. I like how you can just see its little nose. It's cute. I feel so old seeing Pokemon now, like those people who are like, in my time, there are only 151 Pokemon. Is this a KJ? What's happening here? No, I also grew up with only 151 Pokemon. That was my era of Pokemon was 151. So I understand. I had a really long break in between games because I played like some of the first generation games, and then I played like recent ones. Like there was no proper pipeline. I wonder if I should give up for now because I'm getting bored. I say with all due respect. Wait, I haven't caught them yet? I've just been Are you telling me that I've just been annihilating like 100 of them and I didn't realize that I also had not caught one of them? That's actually really hilarious. Okay. I've just seen one more. I didn't realize that I hadn't caught them. I had just been destroying every single one of them. That's actually so funny. Me being like, why do I still need so many more? Oh my god. Yeah, I was getting bored. I didn't realize. Oh god, there's so many of them too. And I just need to, I keep, the one that I haven't gotten yet too, it just keeps like not wanting to be caught. These are all these guys. I know I'm making a lot of sense right now, by the way. Little nosy. I really though, did I defeat the alpha? Like in a fit of not knowing what was going on, I'm wondering if I defeated the alpha because I didn't leave. Like, where did it go? I was trying to be careful at first so that I wouldn't get like annihilated by it. But it's just gone. Maybe I defeated it. I don't remember, but none of these guys are who I need. Oh my god, they're so silly in the sand. These are kind of evil though. Or they're a little bit more annoying to fight. Oh, the alpha's probably in the ground somewhere. If I didn't fight it already. Ooh, my Haunter learned something. Alright, we'll do one more loop and then I'll leave. But I think I feel silly leaving because I feel like I can clear this, like right now. This other Pokemon just isn't coming out. Last one that I need. There's just so many Drillburs. I feel like even if I found a shiny one, I wouldn't even know because of like what is happening? There's so many because of the capacity that I'm fighting them at. And I've taken like no damage. Thank you so much for the follow. Welcome in. Welcome in. This is crazy. Everyone's just leveling up and everything is insane. Okay, maybe we should come back another time. Still need that one more. That was so insane. Okay, let's be insane over here now. We have to do this again. We have to be insane again over here because I say so. Because I say so. I gotta find the alpha bunnery again. Okay. But no Houndoom. I heard the alpha sounds. Heck. No. I'm getting nervous because it's taking so long to appear again. But Ahmed is right. I'm kind of shiny hunting at the same time, so this all works, right? This all works, right? I'm just gonna keep randomly like coming into section 6 so that we can check up on it. But I think maybe what might be a good idea to do is I'm gonna take a quick BRB. I haven't finished Wild Zone 9, and I actually don't think I went into Wild Zone 10 at all. So I think that we'll take a little break with my insanity. What am I missing here? I don't know what I'm missing there either, but we'll take a little break with my craziness and we'll do sections 9 and 10. But I'm gonna take a quick stretch. I'm gonna drink some water, and I will be back in like less than 5 minutes. So if you guys have also been like sitting for a while, you haven't gotten up, let me save my game just in case. You're following craziness and I'm playing now? Good, I'm glad. But if you guys need to get up and get some water or anything like that, please do that. I will add points for you all to gamble if you feel like gambling in the chat. And yeah, I will BRB, get some water if you need it, get a snack if you need it. I will BRB very, very soon. I'm back, but I'm cold. Like I realize, like, you ever like realize how cold you are? You get up from a space and you're like, wow, it's winter. Well, it's not winter, but it's starting to feel like winter. My warm tea for a second, and then we'll start. I'm like in a sweater and everything. Like a heavier winter sweater. You always know how cold you are. Oh no, you're getting tests. Oh my god. That doesn't sound good. I think sometimes when I'm streaming, I just like have like no concept of like anything else that's happening around me. You need to head to bed. It's okay, Emmy. Have a good sleep. Thank you for hanging out. I hope you get some good rest. Good night. Good night. I hope you had a good day today too. Oh no, not the gamble and lose. Of course. Thank you for hanging out. Thank you. Oh heck. Oh my god, I need rock smashes. The sun's we're not doing that today. We're not we're not fighting in the evening. I'm sorry. I don't want to. But I have to I only have rock smash on this thing. So I have to I understand like why they put these things here, but it's annoying because I just like don't have Pokemon that have some of these moves that I need to destroy things. 68 here? Wow. Normal Kappa is back. Did you have an abnormal Kappa? Did you have a rainbow or a not a rainbow one? A golden one? Okay. I don't have this guy. Don't have you. No, you see me? Whatever. Oh my god, he's strong. Oh yeah, the Pokemon start getting stronger, huh? I always forget that happens. They start getting stronger. Do not attack me. God, them attacking me is so rude. Yesterday was the weird replacement Kappa? Wait, what's the weird replacement Kappa? What happened yesterday? I don't know what happened. Was it golden? Did you have a golden Kappa? Or was something going on? You'll put it in the Discord? Okay. What was the point of this? Wait, what was the point of this? It was another person? Was it like a rude April Fool's joke or something? That's weird. Maybe I can get this one. I think I have to start using the Great Balls for some of the Pokemon that are higher level. Which I really don't feel like doing. Oh my god. I got it? I'm not gonna do it. Like, I know I should. Oh my god, because I still didn't catch it. When they start getting stronger, they get a little more mean. Oh, I have one of you. We can fight. Hiya! Maybe. Okay. I want the Sableye to come back. This wild zone's a little bit tricky to navigate because of the... Like, I know that it literally tells you before you come here that it's tricky to navigate. But they weren't kidding. It is a little tricky. Because of all the ups and downs. But I want the Sableye. I want that. I gotta catch all the Pokemon. That's the whole point. Right? Hello? No. No. I don't think I tried to go up here yet, did I? And I'm very curious what's in Wild Zone 10 because I haven't gone in at all. But then I think after I enter Wild Zone 10, I will have been inside of all of the available Wild Zones. I was waiting for you all. I was waiting for stream. Oh, that looks intimidating. What is that? What is that? Well, I don't even know what Pokemon that is. Oh, wait, I'm upset. Wait, I'm upset because I wanted that over there, that alpha, and I couldn't get it. I died so fast. And I forgot this was up here. I did... Oh, the meow, whatever it's called. I wanted it. I really wanted it, and I'm remembering that I couldn't get it because I was too weak. Meowstick, yeah, that one. I really wanted it. I really wanted it. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. What? Who's falling on me? I wanted to sneak up on it. Isn't it so cute? I really wanted it, and I don't remember why, but I came in here and I like think I got attacked by a billion things at once and I couldn't get it. You don't see me. I got scared that it actually saw me. I got scared that it actually saw me. We're not doing this tonight. I'm not going to the battle zone. I wanna be in the crazy zone. I wanna do what I want. I have to go check for the bunnery too. I will never forget that I have to periodically check for this bunnery. Oh, there's two different colors, right? There's two different colors. There's the white and then the blue. The blue one is pretty. Wait, but now I want them both. Now I want them both. Odd. I feel like my greed in this game is insane. Male and female forms. I knew that there was the blue and the white. This is amazing. Now I want them both though. I don't know what. Oh no. Ooh, this is horrifying. Oh, I can't climb this way. Thank you for the lurk, Lucario. Thank you. All right, I'm going in. I'm going in, guys. I failed on this fight like so badly before, but not even I think because my Pokemon failed. I kept getting hit by it. Like, I wonder if that's why it's here. Like, I don't know if like they thought about like where to place this Pokemon, but I got hit by this Pokemon more than like any other Pokemon that I've ever fought. But I also think that, does that make sense? Like, it hit me so many times more than it hit my Pokemon. So this one is good. Oh no, that was like my best matchup, and it failed. Yeah, this is basically how it went the last time too. I just cried a lot. Although it is pretty strong. And I tried to catch it and it got really mad at me. It got really mad at me when I tried to catch it. I kind of just basically have to use up all my moves and see if I can do any damage at all. That's basically all I can do. It's already electrocuted. Oh, it's in the yellow now, though. That's better than I did before, maybe. I think my Pokemon are a bit stronger now, though, than the last time I ran into this. They were not as strong before. We're catching this. We're catching this, guys. Guys, we're catching this. We're doing it. 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 Oh my god, I think I can do it! Unless it runs away from me. I'm afraid it's gonna hit me. That's always the fear. Oh my god! Yay! I was fighting with that thing so much the other day. Yay! I think that's a good catch. Wait, it's really cute. Oh no. Oh, you guys aren't alphas. This is my box 3 is my alpha box. Get out. Who's invading? Who's invading? Get out. This is where all my alphas go. I put them all together. Oh, I'm so excited about this one. Yay! I think these are all alphas. I'm double checking. Okay, they are. I like how Pokemon can now hurt the player. Dude, but it's actually a little bit stressful when they can do that, I think. Because I'm always like, oh my god, I'm gonna be like in the rain of fire, and it's like really scary. It's actually really scary. Oh, it's not fully gone. I caught it when it only had 1 HP left. I should just go to the Pokemon Center, but sometimes I'm lazy. I'm just lazy. I'm just lazy. We might as well like use up some of our items, you know? I just want to see what it looks like, by the way. I don't think that its movesets are very good for me right now, though, because I have just so many things that have, like, all of the same kinds of moves. Let's see, though. Oh, it's so cute. Hi. Hi, I finally caught you. And then I'll come back and I'll catch the other one. I'll get the other one too. Hee 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 hee. Well, that was really productive. I was really sad about this the other day. And I finally got it. So that's really nice. Okay, so we're gonna move things around again, though. You're not gonna stay here, the little guy. Only because I really don't need your sets of moves. I'm so sorry. Wow, okay, that's great. But I'm still missing. I didn't mean to do that. I didn't mean to. What sees me? Oh, I didn't mean to do that. I don't want to fight you either. I didn't mean to do that. I need the Sableyes. And I think I fell on the other side of the building that they existed before, so that's might be. Stop paying attention to me. Okay, we're good. Let's see. Oh, I meant to see. What else am I missing, though? Huh? Oh, wait, I haven't caught one of these yet either? I thought I... Oh, my God. I really thought I did. I really thought I did. Hi, Pyro! How was your stream? How was Low Ink? Thank you for the raid. Hi, Pyrian friends. Hello, hello. How was everything? No, that's okay. That's okay. Low Ink is hard. Hi, Scrape with Space. Welcome in. How are you? I'm sorry, though. What was it like, though? What was it like, if you feel like sharing? We could have gotten alpha, but we lost some sets. But you got beta, and that's really awesome. That's really awesome. Now you're just gonna have to crush it in beta. That's what that has to happen, right? It was like whatever. Aw. Well, today's fumbles are tomorrow's learning. I don't know if anything I just said made sense. You can ignore me entirely. You don't have to wait. So, oh no, you don't have 2 of your players tomorrow. Oh, so what are you gonna have subs? Oh, I hope you can find a sub in time. 2 is 2 is pretty hard though. 2 is kind of hard to find for. Not sure yet. Well, good luck. I hope that everything works out for you. Oh my God, I cannot catch these things to save my life. You don't know if you wanna play beta? I think you guys could crush it though. Were you hoping for only alpha? I didn't want to pull up Flop Bunny again, but I just continued to do so. Pointing at new daily meditation. Uh-oh. I was. Oh, heck. Dude, I have to catch these guys. The Pokemon are getting harder to catch. Let's try this. I'll try a Great Ball. Oh, I did it! Yeah, you did, JC. And you know what you're probably gonna try to do is do it again. It was doable. We usually win against alpha teams and other tourneys. I see. Sometimes it's just be one of those days, you know. You guys haven't really been playing in so many tournaments recently, have you? So I think even the fact that you got beta, though, I think is really cool. Oh, this guy. Who is... I don't even know who this is. What is that? Oh, God. I can. Don't mind me healing in the middle of the attack. I don't think I'm gonna win against that thing. What is that? Like, I don't know what that is. Oh, God. My neck trick? There's too many Pokemon. I don't know what they are. Well, this isn't a good matchup, but I'm kind of at a point where I think I have to use, like, all my Pokemon, so... It is a Pokemon. I don't know what most of them are. Let's be real, there's too many. This thing just keeps, like, charging fire. I don't like this guy. I don't know why. Something bugs me about him. I don't think I'm really doing anything against him. I mean, I can see that my moves are not very effective, but I just figured I would start with these. Wonder what gave you away that you couldn't have been... Wait, I couldn't have been... Wait, what do you mean? Wait, what do you mean? Oh, oh, what do you mean? Yeah, okay, I get it. No, the giant haunter. Oh, I'm frozen? Oh my God. Would have definitely not given me away. Sorry, I keep fumbling. I'm aware I keep fumbling. I'm kind of scared. Oh my god, I can't fall off the building. I'm kind of scared. Kind of scared. Kind of scared. But it's not really doing much. It's sort of just existing here. It's not attacking me. Oh, never mind. It bit me. Dude, a new dawn is approaching. Is this going to interrupt my battle and like everybody's going to... The stats are going to be at normal again and except mine are going to be bad? Because that happens, doesn't it? Doesn't that happen? But I feel like I've had this happen before. I think it's going to come back and my Pokemon are going to be suffering and the stats are going to be normal for him. I think that's so silly. If I was in the middle of like something that I was really, really wanting and that happened, I'd be so angry. Like, what is... No way! No way! No way! I can't even run. I have to get away. Animal Crossing New Dawn. Oh my god. I just can't believe that that can happen. Why can that happen? I also can't believe that I fought so many of these and I haven't actually gotten one yet, so. Oh, I just think this is so funny. You're Speepy. Aw. I know, I kind of wish I could just relax tonight. I can't fully relax tonight, unfortunately. I think I'll do some art though. Why can't I catch you? I think maybe it's time to leave this wild zone for a little while. I think this wild zone is making me a little crazy. So you know what we're gonna do is we're gonna travel to a Pokemon Center. We're going to heal, and then we're gonna go check for the Bunnery, and then we'll check out Wild Zone 10. That's gonna be the next tactic. Also, I'm really sorry if you can hear a symphony of dogs upstairs, because that just started happening. Can you hear them? Maybe not. Wait, mid? They kept the... Oh, that was what it was? I didn't notice that yesterday. Maybe I wasn't really watching Twitch yesterday. That's wild. Thank you for your daily, Clover. Yeah, I know. I don't like that one. That's not my Kappa. Hashtag not my Kappa. Wait, did I not take it back? What did I just say? Sorry, I didn't read. Time change has messed up your pupper's internal clock. He doesn't get that it's not food time yet. Oh no. Are you gonna have to deal with that for the next indefinite amount of time? That would be not so great, huh? Yeah, well, why is that an emote or a, oh my god, a quote or a command? Never mind. I don't know when you did that. I don't know. Do we have any luck, chat? No. Man, maybe that was just like a really lucky time when I got the Alpha Bunnery. It'll come back eventually. It has to come back eventually. In the meantime, we're just low-key also shiny hunting, so it's okay. I'm just slow at extending it to the normal time by feeding him later, if that makes sense. Yeah, that does make sense. Early. So much evil here. He just needs his food now. He needs his food now, Foxy. He's like, please. You don't understand, human. That is really funny. No, but I want a female Alpha Bunnery. That was my problem. Do you see my issue? So I have to keep trying. I did get it. You're right. But then I have the Alpha Bunnery. So then if I get a second Alpha Bunnery, and then when I evolve it into Lot Bunny, then I will still have an Alpha Bunnery and I'll have an Alpha Lot Bunny. So my logic makes a lot of sense, I think. No, I think my logic makes a lot of sense, honestly. Are these two wild zones exactly? Is this 10? Or is this 9? Oh, this is 10. I didn't realize they were like literally right next to each other. Ooh. And I have a new travel spot. I'll take my Alpha Bunnery here 800 times. I know, I don't want to have to change the clocks anymore. I really don't. Alright, how do I get in here? I found how I get in here. Wait, this is the best. This is the best. Ooh. Slowpoke! That was easy. That was easy. Almost too easy. Something's gonna creep up on me. Oh, I'm fighting the bell sprout too. Okay. Oh, I'm fighting 2 bell sprouts. Okay. Okay, whatever. This is my first time in here, guys. Well. The sound the bell sprout makes is really funny. Oh, I don't like that guy. Oh! Why are you on land? Oh. What is oh god, what is happening? You're not even that strong. You're not even that strong. This is a nice zone. I don't know what's in here. I'm excited to find out. I don't like that though. I don't like this fish. I will tell you, I don't like this fish. I'm gonna just fight everything in sight. Stronger. Am I gonna, oh my god. Am I going to be able to get around anywhere? Oh, I can go down. Oh, there's a little, oh my god. He's still fighting over there. Hi, Farah. I hope that you're doing well. You're caving and just going to feed him now. Oh, I know. It's so sad when our little animals are like, but I don't understand. I hope that you're doing well, Farah. Welcome in. I hear something evil. That thing looks atrocious. What do you mean? What do you mean? Oh my god. Oh my god. Is that gonna fly at me? Is that gonna fly at me? What is your definition of nice? I'm just asking. I'm just asking what your definition of nice is. I'm just asking you. The game is fun. I really like this game a lot. I feel like I could play this game all day without like blinking an eye and be totally happy. Like, totally happy. Hold on, let me save before. My progress can't be saved. Oh, I see why my progress can't be saved. Because there's a giant shark after me. Sharpedo. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Just please beat him up. 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 Please, I'm scared. I'm hiding behind the wall. Please beat, oh, no, you have to beat him up. You just have to win. Okay, perfect, great, excellent, amazing, outstanding. I'm the winner. Okay, great. Yay. Please, please. Oh my god. Are you gonna... You added it to your cart. Let's go. That's exciting. And you're gonna have a fun game to play. That's your reef slider. Oh my god. Yeah, Raichu was like, I got this. And then the Pokemon just did whatever. Oh, the poor baby. Wait, the poor baby. Wait, the poor baby. Wait, it's so small. Does that thing evolve? I don't know. What is this? What am I looking at? It's so little. It's so little. It's so little. That was bullying. I'm kind of being a bully. How many have I caught so far in this? Oh, I'm only missing 2, and one of them is the shark. I almost spotted today that I remembered my switches at my parents because you moved as much as you could already. That's valid. I think it's probably good to have something like this though as like a reward for after you move, you know? I feel like that makes sense. You're gonna have to level him up to find out. What level was he? He was just a baby. He's already level 31. So there has to be another way that I evolve them because, well, don't they evolve at level 25 question mark, and then maybe I need, I don't know, whatever. I should though. I should work harder at like putting some Pokemon on my team to evolve them, and then I can actually figure it out, you know? It's a good idea. Not right now though. Too busy beating everything up in Wild Zone 10. No, Ahmed, we support you. We support you. Oh, it's still, oh my god, how are you still functioning? Oh. I'm afraid to go up high though with the, with my HP so low. Yeah, we're proud of Ahmed. If I got it now, I would neglect my adulting. No, see, you gotta do all the things. But then you're gonna have a really great reward, and that's gonna be really nice. What is that? Why are there just so many things that I don't even know what they are? Oh, it found me. Ew, I hate that. I hate that. I hate that Pokemon. I'm sorry, I know hate is a strong word, but I hate that. I don't want you. What is this? What are you even doing? What are you doing? Yes, the best person that can take care of is you. That's great advice. Guys, I don't like this Pokemon at all. This is like F tier Pokemon for me. Watchhog? Ew, I don't like them. I don't like them. I don't like them at all. I really don't like them. God, if I did a Pokemon, I feel like my Pokemon tier stream wouldn't be that bad. I feel like people would understand, like, if I didn't like some Pokemon, you know? I feel like it would be less savage than an Animal Crossing tier list. I hate this. I hate that I'm using a Great Ball on it. Ew. I think that's my new least favorite Pokemon. I just like the cute ones too. You get me. You get me. Ew. And I'm asleep. This wasn't worth being asleep. This was not worth being asleep. My Zelda tier list. I think that was probably my best work. They kind of look like yeah, they look weird. I don't like them. I don't like them. God. But I have to fix my boxes now because it's starting to get a little messy in here. Box 3 is only for alphas. Everybody else get out. Everybody else get out. You're not an alpha. It's getting messy. You unfortunately are. Well, not you. This one. Wait, which one? This one. I really like this little thing. It is, Foxy, it is. Oops, I have to keep moving things. I guess I could probably get rid of some eventually, huh? Can you name the box? Can you rename them? UL boxes? Search boxes. That'd be cool. I'm just putting them in this one because it was the only empty one at the time. Coco! Your Coco pets. In other games you could. I don't know if I can in this one. But, we just defeated that thing. Wait, so how... I'm still... I wonder what I'm missing, though, because I know that I'm missing the shark dude. Thank you so much for the follow. Welcome in. You don't have this... I can rename them? Okay, that's a good point, then. How do I rename the boxes? Search boxes, view all boxes? Pets given, yay! Hi, welcome in, welcome in. Hey, how do I rename it? I can do it another time too. Whoa! View all boxes, press X. Okay. It doesn't help that I misclick every single second of my life. It needs to be in caps lock, right? There's no other way. Why are there symbols? Where's the alphabet? Why am I in symbols? Okay, ready? Alpha. Yeah! Wahoo! Oh, I don't speak Spanish, unfortunately, so I'm going to remove your message just for now. But if you could please use English in the chat, that would be great. I'm gonna say I don't speak Spanish. I am so sorry. Oh, I won't be doing a trade right now. Thank you, though. Thank you. I didn't know I could rename the box either. I didn't know. You hear there's a 1 in 100 chance that if Luna herself appears as an alpha, complete with giant glowing red eyes and a deep voice, it could happen. You never know. I am fighting you. Not you. I am fighting you. I would like you. I would like to steal you. Join my boxes. Not my party, though. Look at him walking like that. No, poor baby. He's poisoned. He's poisoned. He's poisoned. You could just use Greek letter A. I guess I could. Wow, I 100%ed the wild zone. That's crazy. How come I 100%ed that one so fast? Okay, let me oh, and I can claim this already. I'm really sorry if you can hear the dogs. I guess I'm not really sorry because I like dogs, but you know. Can you hear them? They're pretty loud. Okay, you're poisoned, so we're gonna travel. There has to be another. I feel like this is a long way with no Pokemon Center. JC, wait, the sunglasses. The first time you've heard the dogs. They're oh, poor baby. Here, we'll fix you. And now we're gonna check for the bunnies. We're gonna check for the bunnies. Bum, 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 bum. Bunnies. And everybody is better. No, I'm good. Okay. Here. No, she'll only ever use one. Aww. Cute. So true though, right? So true. I don't need one, thank you. I don't need a shiny Pokemon. Thank you for asking though. That's very, very nice of you. Thank you. But I'm not going to be doing any trading right now. Thank you though. Ah! I still have to destroy them all. Aw. Wow, dang, I must have gotten really lucky with the bunnery I had before. I'll keep that in mind when I'm upset about not finding yet another one. You know when you just, like, get obsessed with a Pokemon and you can't stop thinking about it? This is, like, one of those situations. Okay. Alright, y'all, what should I do? What should I do now? I could take on some side quests. I could do the main quest, or I could continue to run around like a maniac. I can't find that one. I don't remember the name of it, that one that I haven't found yet. In the section 5. What am I missing here? And then this one, I can't catch it. It won't, I can't catch it. But then I could complete this wild zone as well. I'm like half talking to myself. The bunny on bunny violence. I know, it's because, so I had a bunnery and then it wouldn't evolve into a Lop bunny. Today I finally evolved it into a Lop bunny, but then I got an alpha bunnery and then I got upset because then I wanted an alpha Lop bunny. But I found one and I have the alpha bunnery, but it's a male and I want a female. So now I'm trying to get another alpha bunnery. So I just keep going back to the same wild zone so that I can get the alpha bunnery. And it's not there. Do you understand my struggle now? So this is what's on my brain. That's what's on my brain. I don't want to rock smash these rocks. I don't care. I'm gonna find what I want to find. I'm gonna just jump around them. My head. My buddy told me you can get fake Pokemon in trains, which blowed. Pokemon's hackable? Is it like Treasure Island, but like Treasure Pokemon? Is that a thing? I kind of just made that up. I don't know if that's a thing. Is that a thing? Is it like how there's fake items in Animal Crossing? The pile of rocks. I'm not even gonna try to fight the pile of rocks. Oh, yeah. Ooh, that's kind of scary. Interesting. I might have to fight the pile of... No, I don't. So do people just use that to get like a billion, like, shinies? Yes? Oh, I'm being chased. There was one over here earlier. Now, of course, it is no longer here. Oh, he's still fighting me. Okay. Pokemon hacking has been a thing since the OGs. Yeah, I mean... I'm not surprised. Selling them for money? I wouldn't doubt that. I wouldn't doubt that at all. Is that wild? It's all good, Foxy. It's all good. Breaking the game sounds really stressful. I wouldn't want that. I want my game to get broken. What if it's like by accident though? Like what if it happens by accident? Somebody doesn't know. That's even scarier, I feel. You know? I can't decide if this Pokemon is cute or weirds me out a lot. I think it'd be cute if it didn't have the thing on the back of its head, but that might be a hot take. Stop. Okay, I have failed at catching these, so I'll try a Great Ball. Oh my god, I can't catch them. Do I need to use an Ultra Ball on that? I just like can't catch it. Like I've tried so many times, it won't stay in the ball. You've gotten good shinies via Wonder Trade. Oh man. Well, maybe I hope that they were real. I don't remember Sleepless. I guess you don't take candy / Pokemon from strangers. No, you're so right. You're so right. Wait, 6 of them? 6 of them? He has this thing where just like catching shiny mons and then trades them to people. Oh wait, you can get one by accident. Yeah, doing online trades. He has gotten them. I don't know how he knows, but but he said that when it happens, he releases them. Interesting. Today I learned. Today I learned. I don't really feel like fighting the Kadabra, but it's okay. Oh my god, Viri! I would cackle too. In the first generation Pokemon, it's easy to completely break your game so that the whole world becomes filled with level 99 Pokemon. Like once you've encountered a wild level 99 Snorlax, and you're supposed to only get that's crazy. That's crazy. That would be so scary. Oh, I don't have very many moves to use right now. Can I just leave? Oh, what? Okay. One of the Pokemon you catch is missing though, and the picture is just garbled image. Wait, that sounds kind of scary. Are they still fighting down there? Oh, they're still fighting down there. Lopunny, come back. Oh my god, all these stories are like, oh man. Is there anything up here? I feel like I've been up here so many times. Yeah, I didn't know about this. Oh, wow. That just sounds scary to encounter something like that. I don't like when the game is like broken. Nobody likes when a game is broken, but I don't know. Maybe some people like feel emotions out of that. I don't know. The guy, the baby, the baby, the baby, the baby, the other baby, the other baby, the other baby, the other one, the other one, the other one, the other one. You don't see me, all you Kadabras. The other baby. No, 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 no. You don't see me. You can't come over here. You definitely cannot come over here. Please stop fighting me. I want to fight this other baby. I want the other one. I'm greedy. Oh my god, you came over here? Animal Crossing Treasure Islands are amazing. They still very much exist. They do. I don't know how those run to the capacity that they run. Like, it's kind of wild to me, like, when you think about it, how, like, open they are that they exist and, like, how nothing happens. Yeah, Kadabra needs to back off. I want to fight this other little guy over here. I'm just getting stronger, I guess. Never mind. That was scary. You. I want to fight you. I have the male version. That one's the female version. Oh, it's okay. I think that if you type @ it will probably like do that anyway. So you're all good. I'm sure that's a Twitch user though. Kadabra does need to leave. Oh my god, we're still not done. Okay. Okay. I swear if it changes, I'll be so sad. If it changes, I'll be so sad. No, not the nighttime. Don't change. Don't change my Pokemon. Don't change. It changed before. Don't change, don't change, don't change. I just got here. Where is it? Oh my god, and there's still 2 here. Oh my god, it changed. Okay. I understand. I understand. I guess I'll leave. I already have that color. I guess I'll leave. I guess I could look for some of the, no, let's check for Bunnery first. And then maybe for a little bit, I'll see if there's any, like, nighttime Pokemon I haven't caught in some of these other wild zones. I will take a deep breath. I'm very sad. I know, that was so sad. I had a feeling it was gonna change. Like, I guess it makes sense one is in the nighttime and one is in the daytime. Oh, wait. I don't have an alpha one of you. But let's check here. Would you like to know something useful again? As long as it's not spoilery, then sure. Alpha Magikarp. Then sure. I would laugh if I found a shiny Bunnery doing all of this. I don't think I'm going to, but I'd still laugh. But I don't have this guy. I don't have you in alpha form. I don't think I do. Oh, cutie. Did you see me? I don't think he did. I don't think he did. Oh, never mind. Never mind. Never mind. But the other one's not here, right? Like, don't put 2 of them alphas in the same spot. Houndour is very cute, but I don't think I've seen an alpha Houndour yet. It was only the Houndoom that was the bane of my existence every time I walked in here. So that's good. That's good. Got this one. The minimap at the top left has a red line around it. That's essentially the... Yeah. No, I have noticed that. I'm just complaining. Thank you, though. I just complain about it. But I have noticed. I have. I'm just being a pain. Why do I have 2 of these? And where? Okay, so you don't belong in the alpha box. We're all learning from Ahmed. I'm surprised I saw the Houndoom before the Houndour. Wahoo does have a timer. This is also true. There's an alpha Magikarp down there. Isn't there, like, I want to just double check real quick because I feel like I come in here and I walk around in the same corners over and over. But you can also go like up high on the right over here, can't you? I wonder if anything different has popped up. Big dog. He was just sleeping there. I'm not gonna... Yep. I was looking up... Oh, this is where the Alpha Pikachu is, isn't it? Yeah, it saw me. No, get up. This is the Alpha Pikachu, right? Yes, okay. I think that's the only... Am I still... I don't think this is supposed to happen. You see where I am? I don't know if this was supposed to happen. It can't... Did it attack me? I think it can see me though. Okay, it's good. That was actually really funny. Did anybody suffer from that? Let me go to the Pokemon Center. I don't think those awnings can support you like that. I don't think so either. I usually find out because of the super helpful notices in the battle zone activated. I don't like when it disrupts what I'm doing. Like, it's kind of cute, but like sometimes, like I'll be in the middle of a fight and then it'll tell me that, and then everybody's HP will return back to normal, like the Pokemon I'm fighting, except for mine. And so like I'm stuck in battle again with all my like crying Pokemon. The puppy is very evil. A puppy is very evil. Auto captions apparently cannot fathom Houndour and thinks you're saying Honduras. Oh my god, I like know that the auto captions are there, but sometimes I forget that they are there, and I need to often remind myself that they are there so that I speak a little bit more clearly. Right when I put them there, I was like, okay, I'm gonna speak normal. I'm gonna speak normal, and everybody's gonna be able to understand if they're listening to the captions. But then I get nervous that I'm not speaking very good. So thank you for reminding. I know this wasn't the intention, but thank you for reminding me of the captions' existence so I speak better. He can smell. No, he knows when I'm arriving. But yeah, I think that's Wild Zone 8. I wonder if there's any... Oh yeah, I wanted to double check. I'm mad at that guy. I don't know what the one is that I can't find here. We'll do this really quick and then I do have to hop offline. But we will see what it is that I can't find in here because I don't actually know. I don't like this bird. I have fought this bird and won this bird and was fine. But can I just tell you how frustrating that match... I don't think I have you. How frustrating that match was. Like, with everything just flying around me. And oh god, it was so annoying. Don't run. That bird! Oh god. Oh, I messed up. Sorry, I call them by stupid names. Yes, that one. Hi, Airbo! How are you? Welcome in. Man, I missed my chance. I missed my chance. Did it see me? God, like this fight is so dumb. It's so dumb. And the Pokemon that I needed, I scared because I got scared. I know. That's the last one I need to... Oh my god. To complete this Wild Zone too. Hi, baby. Hi. I'm on this side. Yeah, you can't fly over this. Dude, he's so scary. Like, he'll just come down and attack. Like, and sometimes I'm in the middle of doing things and I'm like, can you not? Please? You, like, can't sneak up on it. It's very stressful. Although, it was really stressful the first time I ever, like, came in here. But I feel like maybe now I could take it. But he does act like he owns the place. I love Shooput. I had one on my team for a little while. I am trash talking the bird. I see that your message got stopped, but I think it was funny that it got stopped in a way. Don't worry. But it's so evil. Look at that. Everything comes to attack you at once. Although this is a lot easier because the first time I played this was very hard for me. But it's better now. You're close to beating ZA. Let's go. You want to get more shinies first? You got that. I'm just fully ignoring the storyline right now. Oh, but I'm sad about the one that when that got away. Yeah, but I got the burb so fast. That time I got it so fast. I should have attacked that before I went for the other one. I didn't. So now maybe I have to wait. I wonder though if it only shows up at night. I could walk around a little bit, but I have a feeling it's not going to show up again. Although I'm glad that I at least saw the Pokemon that I still needed to complete this section. You learned the boba tea recipes in DDV, and now you want one? Boba sounds really good. I guess it's not going to respawn, huh? That stunk. I could have gotten that if I just... Like, I didn't realize they were going to be so much easier to fight, because they really scared me last time. You haven't had Boba in forever? You should get some. I'm rank F. But I feel like I'm able to play the game on my own without doing much of the story, and so I'm starting to do that thing like I do in every Pokemon game where I fully ignore everything that I'm supposed to do and I do whatever I want to do until my Pokemon don't obey me anymore, and then I have to go back into the story. That's how I play Pokemon games. I'm just trying to destroy everybody around me in hopes that the Pokemon will show back up. But I don't think it will. I'm gonna have to just remember this, I guess. Okay, one more check for the Bunnery. I've been spotted by a Pokemon? No, I haven't been. What? Oh. I haven't been spotted by a Pokemon. Oh, the Shooput. Bye-bye. No, I'm not spotted by any Pokemon. So I can go check for my bunnery one more time like a crazy person. One more time, and then we'll give up, and then I'm gonna have to call it a stream. This game you could get pretty over leveled, which is kind of sad because the battles are so fun. I feel like I have not yet been super over leveled, so I haven't experienced that, but I do believe that would be possible. No prize medals. The stream, what? The shoot pit? I got to hang out with the whole stream. Let's go, Foxy! Let's go. I'm so glad you could be here. No! Man, I feel like I'm never gonna see them again. I guess I just gotta be patient. I'm so bad at being patient. Although I haven't been just standing here like a crazy person. I have gone off to do other things at the same time. So, oh, I got them both at the same. The poor babies. The poor babies. Okay, okay, okay. Well, I'll keep you guys updated if I find the alpha bunnery sometime during the week. But for now, before I end this stream, I want to take a cute photo of me and my shiny. Haven't yet. Let's take a photo together. That's not how I wanted to take a photo. There we go. Okay. Questionable, but that's fine. What do we want it to do? You can't be angry, you're so cute. Oh. I wish you could move your character closer to the Pokemon. You know. Thank you, Incog, for the lurk. I like the songs. What kind of a face do I want? Like, I want to stand closer to the little baby. Wait. Do not move. Yeah! I did it! Wait, I did it. I did really well. No. I did it. I did it. I did it. Okay, okay, okay. So, I'm gonna... I don't know what pose I'm gonna do. No. I want to look at the camera. I really love the photos. I think they're so cute. We're so cute! I liked this one. And then I'll smile. And then we'll play some music. Yay! I think that's so cute. Yay! Okay, I'm happy. I'm happy. We did a good job. All right, I would say that today's been pretty productive. I don't know what I did today, but I think it's been pretty productive. So I have to unfortunately hop off for the evening. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you had a fun time. This was a really nice and chill time for me. Thank you guys for being here. We will go off on a... Sorry, it's quiet. I'll put the Pokemon lo-fi back on. Okay. I'm gonna go find somewhere we can go raid. So if you guys can stay for the raid, that would be great. Give me one moment. Let's see where we can go today. Oh no, I have somebody playing Pokemon Legends CA that I would love to take you to, but they're in the end game and I can't get spoiled. Oh no, that stinks. That stinks. Let's raid Becca back because I don't usually get to raid Becca and I feel like Becca usually gets to raid me. So we're gonna go send you guys to Becca. So if you guys would like to copy and paste this raid message, that would be great. Let's raid. I feel like Becca raided me recently too, so I get to return the favor. Becca's playing some Splatoon. Yeah, thank you so much for being here. Thank you guys all for hanging out. Once again, here's the raid message. You can feel free to copy that. Yay, Becca! Yeah, let's go say hi. But yeah, thank you guys so much for hanging out today. I really appreciate it. Next week I should probably have a normal stream schedule, but just in case, oh, here's the Discord if you would like to know what's going on, and then here are my socials if you'd like to follow me there. And yeah, thank you guys so much for hanging out. It was so comforting to have your stream in the background. I'm glad that you had fun. Thank you for watching, even though you don't play Pokemon. That's very kind of you. But yeah, I will see you guys next week. Have a good rest of your weekend, and see you tomorrow for the watch party, not today, in Discord. Okay, bye.